These are the founders of Culture Circle.
कौन सा स्कूल है जो इतने इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे पैदा कर रहा है?
DPS.
DPS
Yeah.
represent.
शार्क टैंक पे दीवान से पहली चीज ये पूछी भाई तू लड़का 10 लाख के जूते पहन के आया। और हम दोनों
और
podcast
तू
देख रहे
फंडिंग
थे।
मांग रहा है
भैया बेचारे अक्षय ने क्यों नहीं पहने हुए 10 लाख के जूते यार? Where did this idea come from?
Goa. It's very
Really?
fun. Yeah.
for
The lower the
Abhi
supply,
is the
the higher
easiest
the
one.
demand, higher the prices.
मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था मार्केट में and you created something like this, so really kudos to you for that.
If you can't mix friendships and business, it's not a good friendship.
Without you marketing anything, it's a new website, nobody knows about it. ऐसे organic
Correct.
customers
So
आते कैसे?
people are telling their friends about it,
Yes.
and
And
that is the
there is
most powerful thing
nothing-
ever.
Yes. So do you guys have do you belong to business families? Like, do you have that background?
A household earn more than 5 lakhs a year in this country.
It is.
You are in the top 3% of it.
Let's start with the rapid fire. We have some questions for you. ठीक है पहले तो बताओ इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है?
COVID.
Oh,
You can get the world's largest collection of drip at the guaranteed lowest prices only on Culture Circle.
Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Papi. I am Shreya. This
I'm
is
Savi.
And we have दिल्ली एनसीआर के सबसे अमीर लड़के हमारे साथ
There,
अक्षय
bro.
अक्षय एंड देवांश जैन.
Don't call us Delhi NCR, please. It's Gurgaon.
गुड़गांव, sorry, गुड़गांव के लड़के.
Sorry, guys.
HR26 represent.
Savi, give a formal introduction. It's time
Okay,
for that.
guys, these are the founders of Culture Circle. और,
If you don't know about it, shame on you.
yeah,
Yeah, you're not
really,
cultured enough. Sorry.
We
Yeah.
sell shoes and clothes for a living.
kind of, मतलब.
नहीं नहीं और भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं अभी बताएंगे.
They're also the co-founders of the healthy company जो अब शायद इन्होंने बेच दिया अभी पूछते हैं
उसके बारे में हम पूछेंगे इनसे.
yeah, but that's that.
Hi guys, we feel so privileged to be invited into
Yes.
moments of silence. Oh sorry, Pavi podcast.
I'm gonna kill him after the podcast. You might not see him.
we might kill him during this.
Yeah, this might be their last podcast, so good for us.
I think everyone's really bored of us anyway, so it's fine if it's the last
Really?
podcast.
Talk about
Really?
yourself, bro.
Already?
Devansh, what's up?
Nobody's bored of me.
Yeah, Devansh never thinks that.
Yeah, nobody's bored of me.
We met Devansh like at least अभी एक ही घंटा हुआ मुझे मिले हुए and I already feel like
I
he's
know him
very,
since a very long
yeah.
time.
So no, I feel I'm just God's gift to this universe.
Which universe are you called?
This one.
Said who?
Look at
God.
Akshay's reaction.
Said who?
Looks like
this guy
Akshay is
this
like
guy
ये
is
हर जगह हर podcast में यही
My-
बोलता है.
my mother.
this guy is a devil in my life.
Yeah.
हाँ भाई.
Tell
It's very
us
tough
more
to
about
fucking
your,
tolerate this guy.
You have two business together which
Yes.
are going really well. So
Yeah.
ये क्या थोड़ा
So, like the background is, we've been best friends in the 6th grade, right? Same class, same. We switched
स्कूल
schools.
कौन सा है? ऐसा कौन सा स्कूल है जो इतने इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे पैदा कर रहा है?
DPS.
DPS
Yeah.
represent.
पता है?
Always DPS.
Duddu pina
obviously.
shuru. DPS.
Shreya before we came to the podcast was like ये DPS
Yes,
नहीं होंगे
नहीं हो
DPS के
सकते.
बच्चे ना ऐसे मैंने कहा दिवान से ना full DPS vibes आती है DPS vibe निकलेगा.
Just saying मैं खुद भी DPS की हूँ.
हाँ,
मैं
तो
खुद
still
भी
from DPS, no?
What are DPS vibes? Wait.
You are DPS
What are
vibes.
DPS vibes?
DPS गुड़गांव.
DPS.
Yeah.
बताओ हमारे घर के सामने जाता
Sector 45?
Yeah.
I used to
Sector
live
10, yeah.
like right opposite
Wow.
for the longest
Green-
time.
Which school were you in?
Jasminium वो जैसे लंबी सी पीच कलर की बिल्डिंग है तुम्हारे स्कूल
मेरी
ग्राउंड से
मैथ्स
दिखती
टीचर रहती थी
थी.
आते मुझे.
हाँ वहीं रहती थी मैं.
रूबी मैम.
मैं तुम्हारी सीनियर हूँ.
DPS गुड़गांव.
हाँ DPS बट मैं एक्चुअली DPS वसंत कुंज चली गई थी.
अच्छा
हाँ तो
what
हम भी
batch?
DPS वसंत कुंज चले गए थे.
2011 बैच.
तुम केम
11,
चले गए
12.
थे.
तुम लोग भी चले
You
गए?
also, हाँ,
तो साहिल also.
सारे वसंत
Yeah,
कुंज
then
चले
सब
गए
वसंत
थे
कुंज
क्या?
गए थे.
DPS
ये एक ट्रेंड है
Yeah,
हरियाणा में
all the
DPS
good kids do
45
that.
में जो भी अच्छे इंटेलिजेंट
I
बच्चे
am not
होते
a
हैं
dipsite.
whatever तो जो भी अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं
All the
समझदार
good kids, all the intelligent kids, and Shreya do this thing.
डॉक्टर है भाई वो वैसे.
Oh, हाँ, wait, sorry.
भूल गया था वो, भूल
Sorry,
गया
yeah.
था.
Guys, she's a doctor. I take it back.
She's not only a DJ.
She's
I'm
earning well while
doctor
being a
and
doctor.
DJ
Yeah.
Okay, introductions. Where were we?
Coming back.
हम अभी तक इनकी इंट्रोडक्शन ही नहीं दे पाए हैं
हाँ.
बहुत chaotic लड़के हैं भाई.
भाई बहुत ही ज्यादा.
Okay, coming back, Culture Circle, and you were telling you've been best friends in 6th grade.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
But what was the question?
How do you guys meet? Why are you
Acha,
doing
we've been
business
best
together?
friends since 6th grade. Yeah, yeah. So I think 2018, 2019, we started our first venture. It was called The Healthy Company, by the way.
Yeah.
So we ran it for a long time.
What was
We-
the inspiration behind the healthy
So,
company?
Akshay was trying to lose weight but couldn't. I had successfully lost. So I was 130
He was
kilos earlier.
130, I was 110.
And
Guys,
Oh my
one
God.
at a time.
Yeah.
You were 130 kgs.
So I was 130 kilos.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I lost weight.
How
And
did you lose weight?
Diet
Yeah.
and exercise.
He had a
Diet
breakup.
and
He had a bad breakup.
No.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Now it
Now it
makes
all-
sense.
Okay,
now
he
it
was-
all. I
He
can
was
join the
dating
dots
for
now.
He was dating
No,
someone
actually,
for
it's
4 years.
quite the opposite. So I had not explored like what women were until the 12th grade because I was 130 kilos.
Mm-hmm.
Then I lost weight and then I started dating. So it was that. So it was the urge to
Huh?
explore
Urge
this
to-
aspect.
urge to- urge to-
Urge to what?
Explore this
Oh.
aspect of life.
Puberty.
Yeah, puberty. It was
Late
puberty.
bloomer.
Late
Late
bloomer.
bloomer.
And so I
Acha.
lost weight and then I
Hence
asked-
all the side pieces Akshay keeps on mentioning. अभी तक चल
then
रहा है office.
I lost weight. Retake दे रहा हूँ.
मुझे नहीं पता ये पॉडकास्ट में क्या क्या कट होने वाला है क्या क्या जाने
No,
वाला है
nothing is going to be cut. Everything is going
Not
to be on
allowed.
camera, guys.
unless we start
Anyway,
talking
okay,
about
okay.
Yeah.
Speak. Yeah.
So then I lost weight, and the idea was we can help more people do this. So we tried some stuff on Akshay, and it worked. Akshay also lost like 25 kilos
nice.
at that point.
Okay.
He's gained back now, unfortunately.
This was a lot of, by the way, Shark Tank
Years
pressure.
ago.
Yeah,
okay, Shark
I
Tank
lost
pressure.
like.
He has a explanation for it also.
Yeah,
ऐसे
I
pressure
knew
आ
because
रहा है,
that was
ऐसे
going to
बढ़
come
रहा
in. I knew that was going to come in. I lost 30 kgs, but Culture Circle, running Culture Circle has been fucking hectic.
It's not hectic for you.
It
Nahi,
is.
bhai, he's not running Culture Circle, he's running chicks.
एक ही founder काम करता है
I'm
guys.
just kidding, I'm just
वो
kidding.
हमें पता चल चुका है कौन है
So
देवान सिर्फ IIM अहमदाबाद की जर्सी
yeah,
पहन के घूमता है
I'm the face of Culture Circle.
And I am Ahmedabad.
And IIM अहमदाबाद of course
But what were we saying? Yeah, so that was our first venture, health tech venture.
No, my question is still not answered. Why did you start a business with him if he's a pain in your
No, a pain in the ass for some time, but it's good to have like a very trusted companion when you're running a business. Because when you're running a business, there'll be like 100 different things you'll be
Yeah.
taking care of.
But you know, usually people say don't mix friendships and business.
No,
but you
they're
guys are
wrong.
like,
If you can't mix friendships and business, it's not a good friendship.
okay.
Yeah, for us it's been quite the
you're-
opposite.
yeah.
Because I'll tell you, like so many things are unsaid, honestly, between us. Because you know what's the most interesting thing in most companies, most ventures that start together, the number one reason why they fail, and there's multiple studies on this. It's never market funding, none of that.
Yeah.
It's always
Yes,
co-founder
for
conflict.
sure, for sure.
वही होता है. Like they can't sustain it together. And for us,
Yeah.
you know, it's very counterintuitive, but it's been clear since the start that we are friends first, and then
That's beautiful,
co-founders or
that's
business
beautiful. That's beautiful.
partners, right? And so for us, in a lot of things, the decision-making yardstick is super clear. That we are friends
Okay.
first. I'll tell you the simplest of things. Let's say we have to travel to, say, Italy or Hong Kong for work,
Yeah.
potentially, right? Now, if someone else is looking at it, they'll be like, "यार साथ क्यों जा रहे हो? One of you can look at the business here, the other person can travel, and then you can alternate it that way."
Yeah.
For us, it's always been like, but bro, we're also friends.
So let's go
अगर हम
together.
So
साथ
let's
जा रहे
make
हैं,
a-
मजे भी कर लेंगे work के साथ साथ.
correct. So it's so a lot of decisions that way come very naturally to us.
Okay.
And then there's a lot of other stuff. For example, Akshay handles all of the finances, accounts, everything,
Okay.
right? And now it's with stuff like that, right? If it was some other person who I did not really know,
You would
right?
not
I
be
might
trust.
have taken as a co-founder कि उसके skill set सही है मेरे साथ तो मैं ले लेता हूँ.
But check रखना
I would
पड़ता.
always be checking. He would always be checking on me, the other person, right? And it's fair to
Yeah,
do
of
that.
course.
But here there is so much blind trust because
Yeah.
that relationship goes far beyond and far
Yeah.
deeper than any sort of business amount or transactional amount. Another thing, especially when you're growing, right? So what happens is when you grow, team grows, there's
Yeah.
more investors. We have seen instances wherein people would come in and they will try कि मेरे कान भरेंगे some small thing about
For
him.
sure.
The other like office politics is a reality.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, it's very messy
And
when you're growing.
With us, it's just like we would just laugh at an
Them.
attempt this person would try to do because we're like, yeah, you can't even imagine the history and what we go back.
Yeah.
and there's
And
so
how
much
far we go
trust
back.
between you guys that
Very important.
and I think that's the foundation of every good relationship whether it's in terms of
Let's go, bro.
Abort.
Let's
I have very good clarity on who I want to be with in my life. It's not you. Sorry.
okay that being
Yeah,
said
no, but honestly, just on this one, I'm not even kidding. My exes would not be ever jealous of any other girl. They'd be jealous of Akshay.
I-
Like
Dude,
you
I've
spend
gotten
an
all of his breakups. man.
abnormal amount of
Like,
time
He's
with
have you-
Akshay.
accepting also.
Have you seen Sonu ki Titu ki sweetie?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're
Yeah,
Ah,
you were
I actually once went up to him and said, either break up with her or we're done.
Yeah, this
Wow.
guy is just like.
And he's like, "Wait, what is the reason?" I was
Isn't
like,
your fiance jealous of Devansh?
Huh? No, she hates him. She's not
Not
jealous
even
of
jealous,
him.
she hates
She
him.
does not. She does not
Despise.
like him at all. She's
Really?
like, you hang whenever you hang out with any of your other friends, you always text me, you always call me. Whenever it's
You're
with
the bad
him,
influence.
whenever it's with him,
AFK.
you are
Phone is
AFK.
switched
You are
off.
never texting me, never calling me. The next day is super hungover. I hate this guy.
Agli sham pata lagta hai you're alive.
Oh shit.
No, but it's a fact.
And he loves to hang out with me. So what does that tell you, huh, fiance?
Yeah, so we were at the other question.
Yeah.
I have forgotten.
Moving
We've
on.
forgotten the question only. Anyway,
Yeah.
coming back to okay, let's talk about let's get a little serious.
हाँ,
guys.
काफी
We
वक्त
want
हो
to
गई,
talk
yeah.
about your
Yeah.
education,
Sure.
and we know you're from IIM Ahmedabad. Tell us
So
about.
DBS and
Can't you
IIM.
see?
We can. You're the face of
Yeah,
it.
I'll tell you.
bro,
Zooming.
The way
It's
you
so out
know
there,
how
it's
Devansh
loud.
is from IIM, he'll show it to you.
Yeah. मतलब
So,
he's actually.
with him, we already knew I am.
Yeah. उसको देखते हुए चल
we
गया.
don't know क्योंकि.
No,
So you tell us.
So the reason is I skipped my cat because
Why?
the previous night we both were out partying, and I thought that I dropped him back home at 5 a.m.
तो
We were
ये भी
It was
नहीं
his
both out.
friend's elder sister
हाँ,
शादी.
friends elder sister शादी 5 बजे मैंने से घर छोड़ा. I thought we both were skipping cat. I thought कि obviously nobody's going to cat now. It's the 23rd of November, 24th November. He got up and went at fucking 7 a.m. I'm
And
sleeping 3 p.m.
By the way, so I had the morning slot, which
Okay.
starts at like 8, 9 a.m. He had the afternoon slot, which starts at 2 p.m.
You still.
Yeah,
What
there
is
was
this
Yeah,
game?
I
higher chance he
had
would
this
go.
assumption that अब तो नहीं जा रहे
Shark
होंगे.
Tank पे तो हमने अलग ही बोला था कि बस मेरा मन नहीं.
हाँ,
मन
no.
नहीं किया था.
So that was after he had given cat. So I had still had an option in consecutive years to give cat, but then I completely skipped because the healthy company was doing well.
Yeah.
And I realized after my learnings from the healthy company that everything you get from probably an MBA college, I could get here. I'm getting to learn so much. I'm getting to meet such amazing folks,
Yeah,
probably 15 years elder to me. Everybody thought I was a kid. Then I skipped giving cat and I eventually joined an investment, sort of like a Jain organization.
Okay.
Where I used
It's
to
a
help.
cult for Jains.
Which he's also part of. Just
No,
by the
I'm
way.
not. He's trying to recruit me. He's trying his best to recruit
I've gotten
me.
this
Is it
sign
good
done.
money?
Huh?
No,
No,
it's
it's a
not.
voluntary thing.
हाँ,
So
it's
just
a
like a
cult,
BNI.
bro.
Have you heard of
Acha,
BNI?
yes, yes.
It's like a BNI. It's
Okay.
like a
Have you heard of
networking organization.
Illuminati?
Yeah.
It's that, but for Jains. It's
Yeah. It's very helpful, yeah. Jains helping Jains.
I just realized that I think you must have got this question a lot of times.
Yeah.
कि भाई तुम क्यों नहीं गए? I am.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
of this guy, इस पे अलग जबरदस्ती का
हाँ,
pressure आ
हाँ,
गया. भाई,
सही
तू क्यों
में,
नहीं गया?
सही
तू नहीं
में।
गया? तू क्यों नहीं गया? और ये
हाँ।
कह रहे भाई मुझ पे pressure क्यों डाल रहे हो जबरदस्ती?
This is
ऐसा तो
unwanted
तो-
pressure.
Unwanted pressure. हाँ नहीं ठीक है.
कोई बात नहीं,
कोई
it's
बात
नहीं, but I chose that कि मेरे को नहीं करना था.
ये
पक्का?
chose and
हाँ,
line
हाँ.
आपने शार्क टैंक में भी बोली थी.
हाँ,
उन्होंने
exactly.
अच्छा रिस्पांस दिया था.
That
इसलिए
is
सेम
it.
रिस्पांस दिया.
नहीं यहाँ
But,
वैसे रोस्ट नहीं करेंगे. It's
ठीक
okay.
है.
हम
नहीं,
मान
नहीं.
हमने मान लिया ये आपकी choice थी.
If Aman
हमने
is
माना
saying
आप
anything, that is
intelligent
not
हो.
roasting. Don't worry.
हम ये
That can be
delete
any
नहीं
Aman.
करेंगे.
This by the
उससे
way.
उससे ऑफर तो नहीं लिया है ना? नहीं लिया था.
नहीं
कोई-
नहीं.
हाँ,
तो
ठीक है, तो
before going to Shark Tank, Devan said no to take an offer.
Arey,
from
can
one.
you shut up?
No, I want to know. हाँ.
So he said
No,
no.
it's just a joke. It's just a joke.
It's what we all say when we don't want the truth to come out. But
Yeah,
वो
it's just a joke. He said no to taking an offer from Aman. While we respect him a lot, he's built a great brand.
Yeah.
और तो दिवांश की ex काम करती है.
So
अच्छा.
basically,
personal issue था यार वो सारी.
no,
So like
नहीं,
great
वही
guy
ex है.
building a great brand, but sorry, we could not get you in.
Okay.
There's a conflict. उसकी ex काम करती है, head of marketing.
अच्छा.
I cannot tell you guys his name.
can you shut up?
I will now search. I
तो हम सब
no,
कुछ
names
बोल ही
नहीं,
चुका है.
name dropping तो
कौन है
nothing.
भाई?
Wow,
कभी
bro.
Google
मैं
कर.
अभी
name
कभी
dropping.
we'll put like a
We'll
photo
put-
here.
हाँ.
No,
पता चलेगा.
no name dropping.
No,
With respect to the other person.
She's a very good girl. It had nothing to do with.
हमने नहीं कहा she's a bad
हमने
girl.
नहीं बोला. हमने तो बोला ही
इधर
नहीं.
पता है कि everyone was a good girl, but you.
Yeah, people
The
are
fact
nice
that
to
you had
me.
to mention that.
Yeah, no, people are nice to me. Like, the issue is in me. I've realized I'm very selfish.
Wait, I met you for 2 hours. I've also realized
You've
that.
also done.
It's
I am
fine.
the issue. when you, so we often go to a place, right? Even if we're going out to say a bar, and it's a joke between us. If you can't spot the bad crowd, you are the
You are
bad
the
crowd
bad
because
crowd,
we'll be
yeah.
super rowdy, loud.
Fair
So
enough.
we are HR 26 boys.
HR 98 now, apparently.
Circling back to Culture Circle.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
I'm
Nice.
sure.
Are
I'm
you a
su-
poet?
Okay, circling back to
No,
Culture
that's okay.
Circle.
Repeat.
Even though everybody, I'm sure a lot of people know about Culture Circle, we want it. मतलब एकदम लेमैन टर्म में बताओ,
हाँ.
एकदम एक्सप्लेन करो, डम्ब इट डाउन कि एग्जैक्टली
That's-
कल्चर
that's-
सर्कल
that's
करना
your-
क्या
That's
है.
your forte.
तो हम
Yeah.
जूते और कपड़े बेचते हैं महंगे. Yeah, but we sell expensive shoes and clothes, limited edition products that you can't get anywhere else. So everything we sell, there's only going to be a specific number of them ever made in the world. So that's not the case with, say, an iPhone or any other fashion item that you particularly buy, right? There's unlimited production runs. What we sell is there's only going to be, say, 2,000 pieces of this particular Jordan shoe, 10,000 pieces of this particular hoodie. And that's why it's very difficult to procure these items because they're produced around the world. The brands we sell are international mostly.
Okay.
And we make it accessible in India. So that's why, it's the largest collection of authenticated drip at the guaranteed lowest prices in the world with guaranteed authenticity. So that's what we do.
So in short, this is what Culture Circle is.
So basically authenticity bit you mentioned on Shark Tank also, but
Correct.
थोड़ा टफ हो गया था हमारे लिए समझना क्योंकि हम बिजनेस बैकग्राउंड से आते नहीं और आई एम श्योर बहुत लोग नहीं आते हैं. So for a very non-business, as much as non-business you can imagine, how would you explain them and how are you making sure that the products are actually authentic?
ठीक है, so I'll tell you, let's assume you are the seller and Akshay is the buyer and I am Culture Circle. Okay, so it's very simple. आपके पास एक particular product है. Let's say it's a Louis Vuitton trainer or it's a Jordan 1 whatever color,
Yeah.
right? And now you list it on our platform, हमारे supply chain platform है. There you list it on the app saying I want 10,000 rupees for this particular shoe.
Yeah.
Now we will put in our commission and let's say sell it to Akshay for 10,500 rupees. ठीक है, so the moment Akshay buys for 10,500, that product will now come to our warehouse. It will be checked by human experts
Okay.
as well as we have our AI authentication model because we've been doing it for 1.5 years. So we have built a data set ki
Okay.
which is an original product, which is a fake, etc., etc. So it'll be checked by that. Our human experts will inspect everything. It's not tried on. कोई quality stitching issues नहीं है. If it's
Okay.
original, there's UV lighting. सब we do. After that, we put it through another process wherein we work with the world's largest authentication company called CheckCheck. So they work directly with, say, a Louis Vuitton, Nike. They work directly
Okay.
with the brands. And वहाँ पे क्या होता है वो product का we upload 24 set of images, barcoding, etc., and they directly work with the brands to tell us a final proof that yes, this came from the brand and it's an original product. Once all of these checks are done, then we ship it to Akshay.
Plus also, whenever like sellers are onboarding to the app,
Yeah.
we just make sure that they are also thoroughly checked, their background, their KYC verified. We get like 10-20 vouchers. Vouchers is just reference checks. That there are 5 people vouching for a seller. So we have a first level of verification there as well. So at least we can guarantee the sellers on our platform are legit. They've been working in the industry for some time. Plus they have people around them who have vouched for them.
Okay.
So hence that first step verification also plays a huge part.
Okay.
Where did this idea come from? मतलब, you
Oh,
know,
Goa. It's
Really?
very fun. Yeah, yeah.
Elaborate.
Please,
All,
we
all
want
the
to
good
know the
things in our
story.
lives have happened on a trip. So
Oh,
the healthy
that's-
company was born in Kasol, very
Okay.
sober.
Yeah, sure, very
Sure.
sure. Kasol.
Goa was in a weekend. We built this out in a hackathon. So one of the problems we were facing was my size is, by the way, UK 11 shoe size.
Okay.
So I really wanted to purchase one shoe. It's called AJ1 Highs PSGs, Paris in German. So I obviously Googled it. Where can I get it? I think 2-3 websites showed up, and on 2 it was sold out. Third one was like 40K. And I thought that was abnormally high.
Yeah.
Then I reached out to 4-5 sellers on Instagram जो मुझे ऐसे जिनको आप फॉलो करते हो फिर recommendations में आ
वहाँ पे
जाते
भेजते
हैं
हैं।
तो सबको मैंने ऐसे रीच आउट किया 2-3 के पास सोल्ड आउट था 2-3 20-25 में रहते एक 15,000 का दे रहा था so I was very taken aback कि like why is there a price gap of 15 to 40,000
Yeah.
for like one pair of shoe plus 15,000 seems very low Is it even
कि
authentic?
fake होगा.
कि
हाँ.
मतलब इतना कम कैसे हो गया प्राइस?
Correct. So like we were in Goa, I was telling him this
And then
exact
they
same
would
problem.
also ask him that you pay us
Upfront.
15,000 GPay कर दो on this random
उसके
phone
बाद-
number. Then
और
we
फिर
will
हम आपको
ship
ship
it
कर
to
देंगे.
you.
It could
No
very well
guarantee.
be a
Which is very
scam.
shady.
हाँ, it's very shady.
Very shady.
Even if the seller is 100% authentic,
Yeah.
that's
still the
very
entire
very
process
yes.
is
अरे यार
Yeah.
courier में चोरी हो गया. Hypothetical.
हाँ, you
Your
never
money
know,
is
you never
gone.
know.
There is nobody you can hold accountable ना. The seller
Yeah,
भी गलत
exactly,
नहीं है.
yeah.
तो क्या करोगे इधर? तुम Amazon को कम से कम गलत तो पकड़ सकते हो.
Yeah.
You give me my money back. So we were in Goa. We were obviously in Olive, I think.
Sorry to interrupt you.
Yeah.
What year was this?
This was 2023.
2023.
Okay.
2023. So
September.
हाँ.
Okay, not that bad. Okay.
Yeah. इतना ही हुआ. So we were in Goa. So I was discussing the problem with him. Turns out he was already almost facing this issue where he had
Okay.
also just bought, I think, his first ambush. It's an
Mhm.
AF1. And turns out after he had purchased, I think a reseller friend came
Yeah,
to
so
you and
basically
said,
my thing was I used to just purchase from like these websites you know, that were there in India. So you could get these products. And I got it from one of them. And I think I paid like, it was a biohack, I paid like what, 32,000
it was a bio.
odd for that.
Okay.
And the moment I paid, it came to me after like 25-30 days, which was still understandable because limited edition products time lag jata
इतना
hai,
time
like,
तो
it's
लगता ही है.
okay. आ गया वो 32,000 में 30 days later. And I wore it the very first day. One of my friends, she tells me कि how much you get for, I want to get it. I told her कि I got for 32,000. She's like ये देखो 2-3 hours later, there from this website and from this seller you could have gotten for 26,000 or 24,000.
Oh damn. Okay, that's a lot of
respectively.
price difference.
That's a lot of price difference. And
Yeah.
the only reason I thought is that ek to I spent freaking 32,000 on shoes. After that also I'm feeling so weird about it. Ki bro, I got ripped off.
Yeah.
So it's just not nice of an
Yeah, of
experience.
course, of course.
Like unnecessarily, I'm spending also. They're not feeling nice about it. So that happened.
So on a hackathon weekend, I think हमने Saturday morning शुरू किया होगा. We were sitting in Olive, we were just having fun, we were having a beer or something. हमने Monday morning तक ये platform बना के deploy कर दिया था. So I was all backend, everything scraping, getting the website prices of other websites.
Yeah.
He was all front end, UI कैसे होना चाहिए, कैसे design. Within 2 days he made it and deployed as a passion project.
Okay.
He like just
There
let's
was
put
no
it out
intention
there.
to
No
ever
intention.
make money,
Money
out
out
of it.
of
It
it,
was
yeah.
something we wanted to do, like something cool we want to build out.
Okay.
And that's something we've been doing for like since the 8th grade. So in 8th grade we launched a mobile game.
मैं पता यही पूछने वाली थी कि तुम
Yeah.
बचपन
बचपन
से
से
इतने
ऐसे हो।
इंटेलिजेंट हो.
अरे the name of the game was also like right on point. It was called the Panda game.
Panda game because our favorite movie ever was Kung Fu Panda.
And we looked like pandas also.
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
एकदम
No.
हाँ हाँ
You know,
एकदम
right
हम ऐसे
now, when
चाबी
we
चाबी
come
से
into
थे.
your house,
Yeah.
तो वो ना staircase के पीछे है ना lift. तो अक्षय को सच में वो कैरेक्टर की तरह he's like his biggest phobia in life is stairs.
What?
तो ना
I
ऐसे
don't do stairs,
हम
man.
आए और ना लेफ्ट में I could see the elevators there. मैंने पहले ऐसे staircase पे देखा, मैंने अक्षय को कहा शायद नहीं है. अक्षय ऐसे रुक गया. He would have not come up to your house.
What?
He would have been
No,
like
I would have come. I just don't
An hour later.
appreciate
मतलब
stairs.
guys हम तुम्हारे
Because by
जितने
the way,
अमीर
guys,
नहीं है
it's
पर
the
इतने
fifth
अमीर है
floor.
कि लिफ्ट लगा ले.
But
By the
I
way,
know
it's
him.
the
He's like,
fifth
भाई,
floor.
fifth floor पे जाना है, ऐसे
Everyone
कैसे
who's watching
जाएंगे?
this, it's the fifth floor.
It's just the fifth
Yeah,
floor. To
get
anybody
us-
watching.
Get a
It's
get
just
a
the
lift.
fifth floor.
Just the
Get a
fifth
lift. No, it's not just the fifth floor.
It's the fifth
The
floor.
fifth floor. But hence the name of the game is the Panda game. By the way, which went viral for
What?
like viral as in
For
10,
our
15 years
standards
back
then,
for
Oh,
like
I
our
just
relative
asked how old are you
standards.
guys?
27. I'm
26.
27. Okay.
Yeah. How old are you, Shreya?
She's 2011 pass out. You can figure out.
I
bro.
mean,
Do
I
the
just
math.
told you
Yeah.
2011 pass out.
इतना तुम intelligent
करो।
हो clearly.
इतनी मैथ्स तो आपको आनी चाहिए.
आनी
आनी
चाहिए,
चाहिए,
आती
but
है आप लोगों
I
को।
want it for the audience.
I don't want to tell guys.
It's okay. You don't look a day over 21.
She's 16.
I'm 16
Plus 16.
And married.
and married. बाल विवाह.
Nice.
Oh,
What did she say?
that's for the audience
Nice,
to know who heard
nice.
it.
Okay.
Edit
So-
में काटना मत.
मैं ये
हाँ.
part
हम
तो
कुछ
पक्का
नहीं
कटेगा.
कटवा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
हाँ,
नहीं तो but yeah,
we'll
we were
see.
always builders. Panda game went viral as in हमारे relative तो था. We got like 1,000 downloads.
Wow, man, okay.
हमने schools में and गलेरिया में जाके ऐसे posters लगाए
Posters
थे.
लगा दो.
But
Oh,
we were always builders. ऐसे मजे आते हैं बनाने में.
So yeah, this was just like
Okay.
another one of the projects for us. Honestly, we didn't think too much of
Yeah.
it. And then something very interesting happened that 2 months later, we saw that the website had 70,000 organic visitors. So
Without
zero
you
marketing.
doing anything
कुछ
about
नहीं करा था.
We used to, I think, post on Instagram once or twice a week. random
I want to
posts,
understand
yeah.
honestly कि मतलब without you marketing anything, it's a new website, nobody knows about it. ऐसे organic
Correct.
listers
So
आते कैसे?
when
मतलब
we
how does that
launched,
work?
we put it on our personal stories,
Yeah.
saying, "Oh, there's a
For
cool
sure.
platform. You can compare prices of a particular product.
Yeah.
Like it was done sneakers only. कि ये Jordan है, तो सारे resellers
का-
और websites का Sky Scanner की तरह price compare कर सकते हो. We put that up. We created an Instagram page जहाँ पे हफ्ते में एक बार कुछ post कर देते थे, which was एक shoe का image और उसके prices on different websites. Basically हमारी website का screenshot हम post कर देते थे in a way. So none of that. And 2 months later, we were seeing 70,000 organic visitors. And the thing is, we had run a brand before this, right? So I just reverse calculated to myself that to get 70,000
Yeah.
organic visitors,
Yeah, 'cause that's a
the
lot.
The kind of money that I'd have to spend, right? Even the most conservative sort of Facebook ads would lead me spending about 6 to 7 lakhs minimum to get that sort of traffic
For sure.
onto website. So I'm like, we definitely, there's something here. We don't know what it is, but we've definitely cracked
There's a gap,
something
yeah.
because people are telling their friends about it.
Yes.
And
And
that is the
there is
most powerful thing
nothing-
ever.
Yes, of course.
ऐसा कुछ ऑथेंटिक तो कुछ है ही नहीं ना
I
मतलब
think
अपार्ट
personally,
फ्रॉम
like-
योर ऐप आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी अब कोई
All of
आएगा
us have collectively struggled with it. मैंने भी WhatsApp पे images
you've
देखी
also-
हैं
you've also
और
done
वो
that.
seller अलग-अलग price देते हैं और फिर बोलते हैं
Correct.
जीपे कर दो
GPay
please
कर दो,
ma'am.
GPay कर दो.
And I'm like भैया ऐसे कैसे कर दूँ?
and she has been scammed एक दो बारी and she's like
हाँ,
Shreya,
मेरे
you
साथ-
put
मेरे
a
साथ
story
scam-
you put a story
Yeah.
right
मेरे साथ
now
scam भी हुआ वो एक बारी like I bought this shoe and
So
it never
exactly
got
this.
delivered. Right? I paid and it never got delivered.
And then the
So
seller
where
must have
did you-
ghosted you.
Yeah.
Actually, never mind. Don't answer that.
I-
Did you actually at least get a refund?
No, nothing.
no,
I lost my
I
money.
Was it a website or like a
No, it was like
a
ऐसे WhatsApp वाले
Instagram
sellers नहीं
seller.
होते हैं.
yeah
Fair.
Wow.
So you exactly get the problem.
Yes,
then,
I
right?
do.
You exactly get it. So that was the problem that we were solving.
For sure, yeah.
कि why is it such a challenge to
Just get a show.
Just
It's
get
a show. Yeah.
but really man मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था मार्केट में and you created something like this so really kudos to you for that
Yeah, it was
you
very
are doing
by
great
luck. Honestly, luck by chance.
Luck by chance or like actually just the passion
no
of
you
building
just
stuff?
saw that there is
Yeah, I
something
mean,
One
when you
stuck
keep
out.
on
We
creating
built-
things, you
हाँ.
know, something will.
Correct.
We built
Correct.
multiple
Right.
things out there. ये सब fun चीजें ही होती है. Nothing has been like कि अच्छा इसको monetize करके बड़ा बना सकते हैं. This actually turned out to be luck, which turned out कि अच्छा monetizable है. That's
काफी
it.
अच्छे से.
काफी अच्छे से
Yeah, and I
Big
think
thing.
one thing that honestly has been a learning in retrospect though is now anytime we try to build out anything, it's a feature, it's adding new products, we're just like, will people love to tell their friends about it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's
And
a
if
great
we
way
can
to go
just
about it.
Crack
yeah.
it, no? Because there's no point spending endlessly on ads.
Not
this,
sustainable
that.
also.
It's
हाँ,
not
not
sustainable.
sustainable.
कितना
either.
डालोगे एड्स में भी यार
Correct.
अगर कोई अच्छा प्रोडक्ट होगा तो डालने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी
Exactly. So
वो अपने आप ही चल जाएगा
the first time you heard of Truecaller as an
Yeah.
app, or even WhatsApp as an app, किसी ने ad नहीं देखा है.
Yeah.
एक्चुअली
It was always word
You
of
heard
mouth.
it from your friends. Like
And you were
Truecaller,
like,
I heard
we have
it
to be
was
on
a
But
peop-
कि
BBM
डाल
also.
ले, it's useful.
नहीं,
Even
I heard
BBM
it
when
was
it
a
went
magic
viral
trick.
was this only.
कि Truecaller, how I heard was a magic, like a friend pitched as a magic trick. तू मेरे को नंबर बता, मैं बता दूंगा किसका नंबर है.
हाँ मेरे साथ भी ऐसे ही हुआ था that's how my friend also pitched me that you know what somebody is call I was in 8th standard somebody was calling me ऐसे जबरदस्त and मैं ऐसे यार ये कौन कॉल करी जा रहा है and like you know what give me this much money not
हाँ,
it wasn't a
yeah,
friend
yeah.
you give me this much मैं बता दूंगा कि कौन है I was like what
Yeah,
that's a nice
exactly.
lucrative way of knowing कौन मुझे परेशान कर रहा है
Exactly. So
Yeah.
it was that, and another core insight. One was word of mouth. Another core insight was that around the same time, I had discovered Skyscanner as an app to book flights.
Yeah.
Now the thing was, I had a GoIBibo, ClearTrip, Make My Trip, all of these apps on my phone already because book करते थे इनसे. But the day I started using Skyscanner,
You stopped using all.
I stopped.
Of
पड़े
course,
रहते थे मेरे phone में.
100%.
So I was like, if you can provide this experience in one app, where you can
Yeah.
see the prices of all the sellers, all the websites,
it's so integrated
it
Yeah.
only makes sense ना यार. फिर मैं
Yeah.
इधर ही
एक ही
देखूंगा
जाओ और
ना.
सब
मैं
कुछ
क्यों
देखो.
10 वेबसाइट जाऊँ, 50 sellers को DM करूँ और कुछ मिले ना मिले. There's just one place I have to go to. So that was the second core
Plus
insight.
somebody you can hold accountable also. Is there a
Correct.
way for the customers to hold you guys
yeah, so
accountable
we do
if
all
like
the customer
something?
service.
Okay.
Like even if let's say the seller messes up on his end and seller
Yeah.
ships it 3 days later to us, we don't tell the customer कि वो seller से बात करो. We're like, okay, we are responsible
Yeah,
for it.
you
Don't
bought it from
worry.
our website.
Don't worry. If the seller does not ship in another 2 days, we will find another seller and give it to you, even if we have to take a loss. For example,
we
so
have
all of
taken
the
the loss so many times also.
Correct,
Okay.
correct. So we are the ones who are responsible for end-to-end experience. If you have any issues, we have one place you can reach out to. You can come to our stores also, for example, in Delhi, Hyderabad, ki koi bhi show. So that's the trust, authenticity, guarantee that we
Yeah.
provide. That's our value addition into the entire market.
So was physical stores a part of the plan?
Yes.
Yeah.
Always,
Okay.
always.
Actually, that's how I met these
Yeah, I
boys.
know.
Yeah. So,
So-
Shreya was playing a 6 set on one of our first events ever.
That
Yeah.
was
Delhi
Akshay's
store.
introduction to anything that is not Punjabi music.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
He's like,
Except Taylor Swift also, right?
Yeah,
he's like,
obviously.
bro, ये lyrics कब आएंगे?
मैंने स्पेशली ऐसे
थोड़े
गाने
तो
प्ले करे
house-
थे
हाँ, हाँ।
जिसमें लिरिक्स थे
Yeah,
यार,
that's why.
वो अक्षय की
we
शक्ल
love
देख के
Shreya.
क्या अरे यार इसको समझ
इसको समझ नहीं आ रहा
यार
लेकिन
ब्लैंक लुक देख
खड़ा है,
है ऐसे।
ये vibe नहीं कर रहा.
Yeah, I was just asking about the resale space basically. So it's
Okay.
gotten a little down in the past 2-3 years,
Yeah.
right? Like पहले लाख का भी बिकता था Travis
Correct.
Scott, अभी it's selling for 40,000. So why is that gap happened?
Right,
Like
so-
मतलब
Culture
Abhi bhi-
Circle, we got the prices down because you can get the world's largest collection of drip at the guaranteed lowest prices only on Culture Circle.
If Devansh is done with his marketing.
No, I'll tell
अभी
you
भी
यार,
Travis
COVID
बिकते
में
हैं.
फटा,
हाँ.
फिर नीचे
Yes.
चला गया, अब वापस फटा.
It's a bull
वापस
and bear
फटेगा.
cycle.
That's
फट
it.
रहा है already.
for
The
sure.
lower the
अभी
supply,
जैसे
the
Yeezys
higher the
फट रहे
demand, higher the prices.
Yeezys फट रहे हैं but फिर
हाँ,
भी
Yeezys
मतलब
फट रहे because Yeezys
उतने
will never
महंगे
be
नहीं मिल
relaunched
रहे.
again.
कितने महंगे चाहिए बताओ.
हाँ, मैं भी वही देख रही
I'll
थी
sell it
साल
to you.
कितने महंगे
I don't
थे।
know. I mean, Sahil gifted them to me. तो हम कितने महंगे होंगे?
That's your brother.
Which
Yeah,
one was
yeah,
it?
yeah.
Which one was it?
I have no idea.
The pink one?
No, it's grey.
Uncultured.
Cut.
Uncultured.
Nike's prices are getting slim because Nike has flooded the market. Higher supply means lower price points. But for in contrary, On, for example, is doing so well.
New Balance.
Okay.
New Balances are
is
doing so
definitely
well.
The new Nike. I
Yeezys are
think.
doing so well. Higher margins on those because Yeezys will never be restocked. Kanye has fucked over with Adidas.
Yeah, that's true.
So Yeezys are doing super well. Nike के margins कम हो गए.
Quality भी
Travis-
कम हो गई है.
हाँ. But Nike has recently adopted a better strategy.
हो गई है.
उसने कर लिया. Recently Nike has adopted a better strategy where it's just like for the winners. What was the tagline?
So basically, I'll tell you, the thing is, Nike had a new CEO, and the new CEO wanted to push online, and this CEO was too woke. So if you see, Nike has always stood for aggression,
Yes.
victory,
Yeah.
sport. you
That
know,
is the tagline. I mean.
That's
Yeah.
that's how the
Correct.
brand is represented.
And they were just trying to pussify Nike for the past 5-7 years. To be very honest, they were being extra woke,
Toned
about,
down.
Yeah, extra woke about everything, which is okay for some brand that caters to that audience,
But not
it's
for
not
Nike. No, that is not the branding.
It's just not for Nike, right? You don't
Okay.
associate Nike with being the most liberal
Yeah.
or talking about those things. You, when you think of Nike, you think of Michael Jordan.
Those things.
Yeah, Michael Jordan, like, Tiger Woods.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
Excellence.
alpha
Very
behavior.
yes, exactly.
Yes,
Correct,
alpha
right?
behavior.
So that was a strategy mismatch, and recently they came out with the campaign. They literally went back to their roots. The campaign is
Yeah,
called
they
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 figured.
had to.
Took a
winning
little
isn't
while.
for everyone. Like if you have to win, you have to make these sacrifices.
Yes.
It's not for everyone. If you're willing to make those sacrifices, then Nike is for you. And it was so refreshing that yes, finally,
back
Finally,
to
they're
their
back
roots.
with the
to what Nike is
Nike
supposed to be.
Supposed to be.
But do you
Yes.
also think the quality is going down considering like the production is increasing?
So
Would
down
you agree?
100%. Yeah,
Yeah.
down 100%. It's going down, and we see
Yeah,
a lot
because
of
I
these-
bought Dunks recently and I
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
disappointed.
Which
like-
Dunks did you get?
यार ऐसे ये सब क्वेश्चन मत पूछो
Yeah.
ऐसी चीजें तुम मत बोलो कि वो ऐसे
मेरे को
कुछ
कट करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं, ये
but
cut
I
नहीं हो
agree,
रहा.
Yeah, so Dunks
Yeah.
is going on, stitching is off. So these
Yeah.
issues are definitely happening straight from the factories.
Hmm.
And that is why, a lot of these brands like an On or New
New
Balance,
Balance.
They're
these
taking
have really
off.
picked up.
New Balance is the new favorite, I think.
On is the new favorite. I think New Balance was the favorite.
Okay.
But the trends right now are changing so fast.
Yeah, okay,
like
maybe.
even for us, it's tough to keep a track.
Fair enough.
हमें लगा था कि New Balance हमारा hold अभी strong हुआ ही होगा. इतने में On became the trend.
Correct.
Suddenly we have customers asking us for Hoka. So the
it's
trends
not
are
about
changing
Nike,
so fast.
per se. It's about whatever
Yeah,
is
no,
in
for sure.
the trend, in the culture,
I
as
think
we like to
Nike
call it.
made it a trend, like काफी
Correct.
ज़्यादा,
हाँ.
and now it's gotten
Yeah,
to,
all
like,
the luxury brands copied Nike.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
Nike would said ki fuck it, I'm just gonna release 1,000 pieces of this SKU.
Yeah.
Limited
All
edition.
the
Yeah.
luxury
That's what
brands
they
copied
started all of
Nike,
this,
It
but
was
yeah,
like
it's
the
become like a trend.
benchmark.
Yes,
Nike was always the benchmark.
Nike set a
Yeah.
high benchmark, could not keep up
Could
with
not
the
keep up with
standards.
it.
But
all
will
of the brands
But
copied
gave an
it.
option to everybody else, like.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
sure.
But अभी तो काफी trends चल रहे हैं यार. अब Stanley और Rhodes का ले लो. Stanley and Rhodes is like one of the most exquisite trends in US. We did like customer feedback calling. They said get us Stanley and Rhodes. We have it. And I don't know why people are mad over Stanley and Rhodes. But it sells. A lot of the people love to come to our
people
store
are
and pick up
paying
Stanley.
9,000 for a tumbler, for example, you know, and
Yes.
that would defeat me. Like, I would never imagine
Yeah.
that, you know, we'd be selling 9,000 rupees for tumbler.
Have you ever paid like ऐसे enormous amount for something like that?
Shoes.
You guys.
I mean, we have to.
You तो वो 10 लाख के जूते.
Yeah.
Bhai, I was
Like,
just
एक
coming
minute.
to that.
Why
Of
didn't you
course.
wear that?
Yeah,
I don't
exactly.
like that pair.
No,
No,
Shark
I-
Tank पे
हाँ.
you okay for people who don't know Shark Tank पे दिवान से पहली चीज ही पूछेगी भाई तू लड़का
10
10 लाख के जूते पहन के आया, ठीक है? और हम दोनों
और
podcast
तू
देख रहे
फंडिंग
थे।
मांग रहा है.
नहीं नहीं और मैं और साबित मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन क्या था बोला यार बेचारे अक्षय ने क्यों नहीं पहने हुए 10 लाख के जूते यार
It's not bechara.
Yeah,
I
no.
think I have better class. I don't like
Oh
that
my
shoe at all. To be very honest, it's an expensive shoe. It's
I
a
also
good
don't
shoe.
like it.
I don't like that shoe at
We have
all.
to
I
sell
chose.
that shoe. Shut up.
Okay, we love that shoe.
So
We
no-
sell that shoe.
So it's a good positioning. It's hype and
I
luxury.
mean, it's a very classy shoe,
Yeah.
frankly.
For
and-
some people.
So
But
the
I
idea
prefer a
was-
Travis on me. I
the
prefer
idea
having a
was,
Travis
yeah,
on me.
We'd go like hype and luxury, even if
Yeah,
with our
that was the
outfits.
positioning.
Because we're a hype and luxury app. So idea was I'll wear some luxury shoe, which
Oh,
is why the
okay.
Dior's.
That's
Yeah.
He was
okay.
wearing Travis because hype. So even the
Alright.
outfit, he was wearing
Okay.
a jacket,
Ah.
hand painted.
He was
Okay.
wearing like a
coat.
coat. I was wearing a.
Yeah,
Positioning
yes.
went
Okay.
sort of like that.
Okay.
Okay. Never thought
But
about
then
that
मेरे
way, but
दिमाग में
nice.
पहले
Good.
ऐसे क्यों आया कि ये बेचारे अक्षय ने क्यों नहीं पहने
No,
हुए
no,
10 लाख के
बेचारा.
जूते
नहीं,
We
2
did
लाख
it for
2
the
लाख सस्ते हो गए
content.
ना आपके लिए. Sorry. कौन से जूते हैं दिखाना?
मैंने तो बहुत तुम्हारे लिए जूते
We
क्यों
were
लेके आए इस
expecting
बात
तुम
में?
लेके आए.
नहीं
तुम
नहीं एक
10
सेकंड
लाख का पहनोगे, तुम
तुम-
2 लाख का you can't get us a shoe.
ये ना पॉडकास्ट
अरे?
बंद करो हम पैसे दे रहे हैं इस
Okay,
पॉडकास्ट के लिए
I'm
और ये हमारे लिए जूते
I'm
नहीं
a
लेके
straight
आए
up
हैं।
baniya. What Devansh invested in 10 lakhs, I saved 8 lakhs and invested in NFT. I made money. And not
That is why
very
he
good
handles
year.
the finances for
Yeah.
Culture Circle. And
now we know why
Okay.
Yeah, I have not given him a company credit card by the way. Actually, he runs marketing. He told me that give
It's
me
like
a credit
a father
card.
and son.
Father-son
combination.
relationship.
There is a reason we have an X amount
It's
of money
okay,
in
bro.
the
one,
FD.
one place you get to be daddy in your life.
That is a joke. That is a joke. Straight up.
I would hope so.
Oh,
Yeah.
Aww.
मैं बोलने पे आऊँ?
yes please बोलने पे आओ ना
No,
तुम
it's a
बोल क्यों नहीं
business
रहे हो?
podcast, guys.
Yeah.
We're here
No,
to
no, it's
motivate
not.
people.
It's not a business
It's
podcast.
not.
I know,
It's
no,
not
it's not.
that.
Sorry,
It's
it's not.
Everything. Where
It's
you also
everything.
learn, but it's everything.
like
Yeah,
people
yeah.
want to actually see
but the
the
problem
real
is,
you
everyone who's watching, I don't want you to learn what he does. It's a bad.
No,
What
it's
does
a
he
way
do?
of like,
So that
don't do
people
that.
cannot
You know, maybe
learn
like,
that.
Do's and don'ts.
Yeah, do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts.
Don't be me, guys.
I actually meant Big Boss. I just had to throw in like other
अभी
names of
दिवांश को I
shows.
saw 2-3 days ago in Galleria, I think on a date. फिर मैं ऐसे like,
Oh.
तो maybe it was the Spitzvilla.
No, I was in Bombay 2-3 days ago.
No, it was definitely last week only. Last week only.
Were you
I
wearing
know,
your
I know,
specs
Yeah, I know.
A lot of friends I have, I chill with my friends. Like Galleria is like the
That's-
friends spot है भाई. We're
I
in
don't mind.
2025 यार. Come
We
on,
are.
get on with the times. Be woke.
I don't want to be. Abhi we discussed being too woke can also be problematic.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll
that's
stay true
true.
to my character.
That's true. I think you're doing it well.
So, do you guys have like, do you belong to business families? Like, do you have that background? Yeah.
okay the only reason
What?
why we are asking this थोड़ा सा serious take
हाँ.
if there's somebody out there 20-year-old boy or a girl ठीक है जिसको मतलब who's inspired by you guys because obviously you guys are inspiring ठीक है तो if they want to start a business from scratch they would want to know a little about your financial background as
Yeah.
well so we are going to go a little personal
Okay.
were you guys born with a silver spoon
So I think first thing I'd say to the 20-year-old guy or girl is find better role models.
No, but like, I'll tell you what happens. Like, people like you
Yeah.
blow up, and there are two kinds of people. A kind of person would get motivated.
Like you, bro.
Yeah,
No,
that
like
was-
when a people, like new businesses
That
blow up,
like
you know,
felt
like,
kidding,
people-
यार, I'm
Yeah.
kidding, I'm kidding.
Like an attack.
And,
सभी रोने वाली है भाई guys मत करो ऐसे ठीक है ऐसे मत
रो
करो
दूंगी guys मैं
मस्ती कर रहे हैं यार।
so one person would get motivated कि okay these guys are doing it they're so young I can also do it then there's one more kind of person who would be like कि यार
वो
इनके
इनके
पास
पास तो
ना
बहुत
कुछ
पैसा है।
होगा या ये तो
हाँ।
IIM से है यार a lot of excuses come to your head कि इसलिए
Correct.
इन्होंने कर लिया so for those people I want to know what is the real background
So I'll start. It looks very fancy on the outside. We have been very, very lucky at a lot of times also. But we started our first venture in college in the 3rd year. And it was obviously bootstrapped. Like we had saved money from our, I think the monthly allowances we used to get.
But
Right.
50,000 each, I
हाँ,
think we invested.
we saved money to start our first venture. And 4th year तक ना our parents अलग-अलग had given us a deadline. कि listen, startups are not safe for you. Get a good job because anyway you would have landed a job. I got a PPO from Google. Plus I got placed at a company called Iron Group. So like I had a package of roughly I think 18 LPA roughly.
Okay.
And he had gotten placed at Goldman.
Okay.
So when we were just starting out, it was very tough for us to take a call to leave
Such a
those
good company.
PPOs because 18
Because
LPA, I think 24
Very
LPA.
lucrative jobs, na?
So we left those jobs and we gave a deadline to our parents ki if
Do your parents come from business backgrounds?
so my father is a real estate agent.
Okay.
Okay.
My mom is a homemaker.
Okay.
And around the time when my father was 35 40,
Hmm.
he changed his business from a stockbroker to a real estate person.
Okay.
Okay.
So at that point where I don't think even I would have the balls to change a business when you have a family and you're taking care of two
Hmm. Yeah.
young kids. Like I was like what, 5 or something?
So he'd still understand. And what about you?
Yeah.
Is your family?
Yeah, no. So I mean, technically, like my parents are both doctors. My grandparents are also doctors.
Okay, so no business.
But we have our own setup. So like, I mean, they did something entrepreneurial in that
Oh,
sense.
okay.
Okay.
So when we came to
I really like how honest you guys are being because that's what the audience wants to know.
correct, हाँ यार. So
मतलब उनको पता होना चाहिए ना कि
and yeah, I'll tell you. I mean, if you just look at the stats, right? That's my thing with privilege and people not recognizing how privileged they are.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks that हम तो rags to riches story. Even middle class, my issue is if you earn more than 5 lakhs, your family, a household earn more than 5 lakhs a year in this country.
It is
You are in
used-
the top 3% of the
yes you are
Yeah,
and
Please
we need to
understand.
recognize that.
At that point, you're privileged.
Yes, you are.
So the
100%.
fact that, so we had our own setups. The fact that even if, let's say, I got out of college and I had a shelter over my head, I did not have to pay off a huge student
Rent.
loan, rent, and fend for myself. That in itself is enough of a privilege.
For sure.
Yes,
जिसने
it
मेरे को
is.
इतना क्वेश्चन दिया था कि ब्रो मेरे घर तो है मेरे पास जाने को,
हाँ.
मेरे को खाना मिल जाएगा.
The choice to make that decision. even,
Correct,
like.
correct. So that way, yes, we come from privilege, but it's not necessarily a silver spoon in the sense that you can spend 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs in the business and
Wasted.
and like
Wasted.
and nobody's
Wasted.
going to question you, nobody's going to ask you कि ये क्या कर
no,
दिया.
never had like for example, if I would ask my parents to spend like give me 10 lakhs at the
Just
start of
first.
the healthy company कि मेरे को start करना है कुछ, they would have said no.
No,
Obviously.
It was that simple, right? Even like in the colleges we studied, the annual fees was like 50,000-60,000, for example, right? I probably wanted to explore, say for my undergrad, I wanted to go abroad, right? But at that point, a very core question was, again, do you want to spend say 3-4 crores in that, take up that much student debt? And I didn't feel comfortable taking up that much loan
Fair
at
enough.
that
Yeah,
point,
fair.
right? So again, privileged, but not silver spoon. Something in that.
No, this gives a fair idea to us and
Yeah.
everybody who's watching
Correct.
this because transparency is very important in today's time and to recognize and actually acknowledge कि हाँ इतने privileged है इतना हम कर सकते हैं, that's very important.
Correct, which is
So-
why I say that ki, when we were 21, 22, the reason we could go so high risk is he lived with his parents, I lived
Yeah,
with my parents.
yeah.
India में
Your
तो
basic expenses were covered.
इंडिया में तो
Basic
कल्चरली
expenses.
इतना एडवांटेज है towards going for entrepreneurship, starting up. I
Yeah.
feel क्योंकि बाहर तो कल्चर क्या है, once you're out of college,
Yeah, for
Then
sure.
you do everything
it's
on your
very
own.
uncool.
Yeah.
You are somehow
Yeah.
dependent.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे
यहाँ
तो
तो
obvious you will live with
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah,
parents,
unless,
right?
yeah.
तो हमारे पास तो इतना बड़ा fundamental advantage होता है. Right out of college, you can try out so much, in terms of the high risk stuff. But again, it's very difficult to convince our parents because the thing is we are both coders. And उसका ना एक downside क्या होता है कि straight out of college placement package बहुत
बहुत
अच्छा
बहुत
मिलता
अच्छा
है.
होता है. Yes, of course.
Right. So the opportunity cost is also very real. And frankly, the only way we could convince our parents was, we said, यार by the time we graduate, हम May में graduate हो रहे हैं, मेरे को इतना in hand पैसे मिलेंगे अगर मैं इस नौकरी करूँ भी at Goldman, मैं at Google Iron, this is the package we'd get.
Yeah.
Now my point was, if we can earn that much from our business by the point we graduate,
So it's like a bargain.
then you let us do this because financially हमने same decision 1-to-1 cut कर
Fair
दिया है.
enough.
Otherwise it would have been a very difficult decision.
And your first project was the healthy company.
the healthy
right?
company, like जहाँ से पैसे कमाए.
हाँ, मतलब
And-
वैसे तो उससे पहले उन्होंने
वैसे
काफी ऐसे
मतलब minor
छोटे-छोटे
projects
projects कर
here and
रखे
there.
हैं.
अच्छा, okay.
The healthy company was like a good project. I think right out of college we were bootstrapped. We proved our parents wrong. They let us do this. Then we eventually raised our first ever funding round. So I think in company's lifetime in the healthy company we've raised like close to $1 million.
नहीं 4.6.
Roughly 4.5 to 5 crores we've raised.
Okay.
That's
And
That's
now
quite a huge.
I think exited the company early 2023.
Okay.
Correct.
Then Culture Circle happened.
And even I'll tell you, like during that point, no. So the thing with, again, this is for the 20-year-old. You know what we did was very simple. We put up 1 lakh of our own money. We got products made that we want to sell. You know, granola bars, green tea, etc. हमने वो जाके हमने दिवाली मेलों पे लगाया. वो 1 lakh का भी converted to 1.8.
Nice.
फिर अगले मेले पे लगाया. 1.8 का
Nice.
stock बनवा के ऐसे cash flow rotate किया. In the next 9 months, we were at a point wherein we were doing about 6 lakhs of monthly sales
That's
from our
beautiful,
website and
yeah.
everything that we
Beautiful.
launched. And at that point, we said, okay, now we're making equal the amount of money. By that point, we're graduating. So now you let us do this.
Yeah.
Nice.
So there's always ways, matlab, to sort of convince, you know, your parents and stuff around that.
Do
So
your
try and
thing.
de-risking it. Matlab, I'm not a proponent ki be very stupid and be very high risk. I don't think we've been very, very high risk. Honestly,
With
itna
Akshay
nahi.
by your side, I don't
think you
think
can.
that's
Maybe if you were
possible.
alone.
Very fun. So yeah, we got first ever funding round we got, right? Paisa in the bank. And when that amount sort of hits you, you know, like seeing like 3 crores in the bank, we are 22-year-olds.
What was your first thought, Devansh? क्या
Yeah.
करने का मन था?
Party करते हैं यार.
Oh, yeah,
Why
of
not?
Yeah.
We're going out tonight. He's like, wait.
Yes.
इसने और नेट बैंकिंग लॉगिन करके पहले तो एफडी में डाला सब.
Nice.
Smart.
Yeah,
मैं एक दिन
obviously.
का भी इंटरेस्ट क्यों लूज करूं इसमें इतना
हाँ,
amount
of
है.
course,
भाई, इसके तो
that's
Guys,
a
if
lot
you're
of
watching
interest,
this,
yeah.
you really need to learn a thing or two from Akshay.
Yeah,
Yeah, he's like,
if
bhai-
you have money in the bank, put it in FD if you're
Of
not
course.
using it.
And do's
And you
don'ts.
need to have like a penalty-free sweep out facility.
No, bro.
तुम कभी भी निकाल सको
Absolutely.
and you get
Very
FD
smart
just
of you to
yeah.
do that,
अभी
yeah.
भी हमारा सारा funding का पैसा FD में है.
एफडी में ही है.
Since we're not
Yeah.
using it.
Yeah, we've learned. I've
Okay,
learned.
now that
You
we're
have
talking
learned.
about funding also, you guys already had so much funding before you went to Shark Tank.
Culture
Correct.
circle.
Correct.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Culture
yeah.
Circle. Why did you go to Shark Tank?
Like, what
it
was
just
the
for-
intent?
बता दो, अब तो सच तो हो
Yeah,
गया.
नहीं,
Two
yes, we're
intents.
very upfront about it.
Yeah.
Marketing and
Marketing.
And
Mentors.
mentors. Mentorship.
But
Yeah.
you
Do
had
you guys
such-
really needed that mentorship considering, I mean, you're from IIM, you would already have the best of best people around you to mentor you, I'm sure, right? And you already have the correct network, correct places to go where you talk about all this stuff only.
Did
and
you
get the
actually
guidance.
need more mentorship?
I'll tell you that it never hurts. is
Of
the
course
thing.
it never.
Like, we of course need it, and I'll tell you, yeah, even when you talk about IIM, you know, there's a network. We can leverage that network.
Yes.
Because there's some attachment there that they have to IMA the college, hence they'll help me out.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. But a random person, for example,
help
who
us,
I
no?
might not know, right, will not really go to that extent versus someone who's invested
Oh, for
say
sure.
50
with
lakhs, a
a
crore.
skin in the game
Correct.
has at least something to lose if he's not able to help us. So someone who's skin in the game always goes to that extra
Extra
mile to
mile.
help us.
For sure.
So hence like going to Shark Tank was obviously marketing.
Marketing.
It's a great platform.
यार
Of course.
20 करोड़ का एड स्पॉट है वो इफ यू
हाँ, हाँ.
कैलकुलेट अगर सोनी टीवी पे आपको 22 मिनट्स का एडवर्टाइज करना है इन प्राइम टाइम इट्स रफली 18 to 20 crores of commitment so that 18 to 20 crores worth of advertising spot if I'm getting an opportunity for my company my point to them was also this Sony that's what I said कि if you had invested in my company और मेरे को टीवी पे आने का 20 minutes एक ad करने का chance मिलता will you not recommend me that go take it
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
every
of
Shark
course.
in their own different podcasts they've done, they've mentioned that their own companies they wouldn't pushed for Shark Tank just for marketing.
Of
But
course,
everybody
it's a
knows
great-
that.
there
it's
for
a great
marketing
way.
like
हाँ,
Aman
हाँ.
wears a Bodka watch always which
Yeah,
he should
yes.
right for
That's
example
great for
Piyush is
him
wearing
if he's
his
able
Star
to
Wars
push
chashme,
this
and they
platform.
actively talk about it
Yeah, of course, for sure.
ठीक है.
So marketing was number one. That was the first priority. But we also went in with a very clear intent of making a deal and honoring the deal. So I'll tell you
Okay.
like sort of the thoda BTS of Shark Tank. 70% of the deals that actually happen on Shark Tank, they don't go through.
Oh,
Because
okay.
what happens is,
Why is that?
so I'll tell you, just think very logically कि let's say you're doing 10 lakhs of revenue. जब आप Shark Tank पे pitch करोगे, now your episode is live, let's say after a month. वो 10 lakhs से ना
Of
आप
course, आपका
1 crore
revenue-
पे पहुंच जाते हो.
For
Like
sure.
it's a jump, significant
Yes.
jump.
Plus you're anyway negotiating hard on valuation when you're pitching. So the
Correct.
sharks are giving you a lower valuation of what you'd asked for.
I want to ask
any-
about that also, but
Yeah,
later.
we had this
Yeah.
question.
So
for you.
Shark Tank का ये भी है like whatever valuation you can get from a random VC, let's say outside, Shark Tank पे उससे half या उससे कम मिलेगी.
हाँ, क्योंकि उन्होंने करा था ना. You
हाँ,
had
like,
तुमने
you guys mentioned 2 to 40 crore.
Yeah,
and
they
right?
mentioned
And
around 80.
And also
Correct.
for normal audience who is not into this background, could you explain what valuation is in like very layman stuff?
Done,
Yeah.
done. हाँ. So I'll just complete the point about why 70% of deals don't go through. अब 10 lakh से 1 crore पे ले चले जाती है company. Right now at that point, there are a lot of these other investors who are like, okay, we will invest in you
Hmm.
at 4 times the valuation जो आपने Shark Tank पे close करा है.
Ah.
So as a founder, then
Of
it becomes very
course.
tricky for you कि you also have a fiduciary duty to do what's best for your company
For sure.
at one point.
And
But
Shark Tank
यहाँ
does
पे
not have
आपने-
any laws regarding ki
There's no
if you've
agreement.
accepted a
Yes, that is
law
planned to
verbally.
take
Sharks can
the
also
deal.
back out of a deal
Okay.
after
If
it.
any background
Because the
check goes
verbal
wrong.
agreement does not count as like a
Correct.
binding.
वो sharks can also back out and
Hmm.
companies can also back out. Both have the option.
Okay.
But we went in कि we were like, if we give our word, it was just our own internal thing. We will
Yeah.
stick to it.
Okay.
कि even if it's at a low valuation, but if we commit to a
Any
deal
deal.
there, we will honor it. Which is why we also fought very hard कि in terms of
Yeah,
what
you
we
guys
can
did.
we want
Yeah.
to commit
Yeah,
to.
we saw that
Because
royalty
we were like,
wala
yeah, we
royalty aspect.
Yeah.
correct. We were
Yes.
like, we want to honor यार हम जो यहाँ
Yeah.
बोल रहे हैं हम बाहर जाके we won't renegotiate with you saying अब हमारा revenue 5
हाँ.
times हो गया है now we give us 5 times valuation.
So you guys are done with the deal, like the deal that
So
I had.
Ritesh, we're done with. With Kunal, something that's still being worked out. But
Okay.
Ritesh, we're done.
I mean, it takes some time, like
Of
a lot
course,
of due
of course.
diligence
But
and
it'll
paperwork
happen.
which has to go through.
But ours will still be one of the fastest deals to go through. मतलब typically takes
Okay.
much longer.
Ah,
With us, हाँ, वो हो गया.
That's
And coming
nice.
to your
Valuation.
valuation वाला question, right? It's at early stages. It is honestly more art than science. ठीक है?
Okay.
Because technically, अगर मैं MBA
हाँ
लिखूँगा
मतलब
बोलो
भाई
valuation.
थोड़ा मतलब
That,
normal.
that was a typical MBA lingo, art and science.
नहीं I'll tell you the MBA lingo for it is ऐसे valuation का the real art the real science is discounted cash flow valuation बोलते हैं which is
क्या बोल गया यार
हाँ, which is
ये सब नहीं बोलना, यही बोला
यही
मैंने.
तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि ये नहीं बोलना
More
Correct,
art
correct.
than science बोलते
so
हैं,
for
better है.
mature company कोई अगर 5-6 साल से बिजनेस में है जो पब्लिकली ट्रेड हो रही है मतलब
ठीक है.
IPO हो चुका है
IPO हो
आप
चुका है,
shares
startup
खरीद
नहीं
सकते
है
हो,
अब.
shares खरीद सकते हो उनकी वैल्यूएशन क्या होती है कि अगले 4-5-10 साल में कितना कितना प्रॉफिट वो कमाएंगे आप प्रिडिक्ट करता है कोई भी इन्वेस्टर और उसको डिस्काउंट करके कहता है चलो तो अभी इस कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन इतनी है बेस्ड ऑन दैट
ठीक है.
that is the real valuation जो होता है with
Okay.
early stage startups and all it's all art right it's that's why I
Okay.
said it's more art than science because आप नहीं प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते कल्चर सर्कल का कैश फ्लो अगले साल कितना होगा
तो कैसे
उसके अगले
निकालते
साल
हैं?
कितना होगा
यार,
honestly it's
mostly
more
on-
supply and demand and comparables दो चीजें होती है एक तो supply and demand is very simple how much you want the funding versus how much the investor wants to invest frankly right we've been on deals we've been on discussion tables wherein our valuation has doubled and tripled in a matter of 30 minutes तो
Okay.
अगर ये डिस्कशन हो रही राइट बिकॉज एट दैट पॉइंट वी डिडंट वांट टू रेज we are here in any negotiation whoever wants it lesser wins
Of course.
we didn't want to raise but the investor really wanted to back us तो हमारी valuation double triple भी हो रखी है just on sitting table right
Okay.
sitting on the same table
So it's no right, no fixed amount.
So
अब तुम्हारे ऊपर.
comparables है
First the ARR, first the valuation or ballpark number comes into the play, where you come to a fair number, which is usually your ARR, which is your annual run rate या फिर
Okay.
annual revenue जो तुम करोगे.
Just the profit.
अगर मैं महीने का 10
नहीं,
लाख कर
revenue.
रहा हूँ
पूरा revenue.
रेवेन्यू टॉप लाइन
ठीक है.
सेल्स, अगर मैं महीने का 10 लाख कमा रहा हूँ सेल्स में तो मेरा एनुअल रेवेन्यू इज 1.2 करोड़. तो इट्स यूजुअली ARR पे तुम एक मल्टीपल डालते हो कि तुम पोटेंशियली अगले 3-5 साल में कितना
कितना
कमाओगे.
कमा लेंगे.
सो 1.2 करोड़. अब वो गेम सारा मल्टीपल का होता है वेयर ऑल देवांशस मैट्रिक्स कम इनटू द प्ले कि तुम कितना ज्यादा या तो चाहते हो फंडिंग
अच्छा.
या इन्वेस्टर
That's a variable multiple depending on
करेक्ट.
who
यूजुअली
wants it and-
इंडस्ट्री
और
वाइज
industry
फिक्स
का
होता
भी
है
होता है.
क्या
अच्छा.
अगर तुम D2C कंपनी हो विच इज लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल सेलिंग कॉफी ग्रीन टी और प्रोडक्ट्स,
Depends.
3x to 4x मिलेगा
2x to 4x.
और मार्केट बहुत अच्छी है तो 5x मिल जाएगा
Yes.
और आपका ब्रांड को ज्यादा अच्छा है कि इन्वेस्टर्स वांट टू इन्वेस्ट
तो
तो
6
और भी-
6x 7x
There is a checklist, no?
Okay.
ब्रांड बहुत अच्छा है, प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे हैं,
फाउंडर्स
फाउंडर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं.
अच्छा, तो ये तो बहुत investor based भी हो गया आपकी,
हाँ,
मतलब
तो
वो
इसलिए इसमें
variable
आर्ट आ
decision.
जाता है. फर्स्ट यू
ठीक है.
कम इनटू अ बॉलपार्क ARR और रफली बोलो कि 1.2 करोड़ कर रहा हूँ तो मैं मल्टीपल 4-5x चाहता हूँ. जैसे ही ये नंबर आया इधर फिर तुम्हारा नेगोशिएशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है. इट बिकम्स आर्ट वेयरइन किस किस पॉइंट्स पे तुम ज़्यादा वैल्यूएशन डिमांड कर रहे
So for
हो. अमेजिंग
technology
फाउंडर्स
companies it's
एक्सेट्रा.
12x. अब ये भी फर्क पड़ता है.
फॉर मार्केट
अच्छा.
प्लेसेस इट्स 1x 2x.
Correct. So it's
मार्केट
all
प्लेस लाइक अस फॉर एग्जांपल.
based on the business model. Typically it works like that.
Okay.
But you come at this valuation by your ARR. Then it becomes supply demand. Who wants it more? Who does not want it
We've
more?
been schooled, guys.
Yeah. Obviously, I mean, if you're building a business, you should know what a fair valuation of a company is, for sure.
And honestly, अब इसमें opposite side भी आ जाता है. Sometimes, like for example, we have taken a lower valuation in terms of who to raise from because the investors are really nice.
Nice.
And
भाई
their
हो रही है तो फिर
reputation-
बहुत investor based
हाँ.
It's
game
very-
हो गया.
I mean, anyway, I believe like a lot of business is anyway about humans only. Frankly,
course.
वही होता है ultimately. It's about people, right? So if I know a great investors coming in जो crazy value add करेंगे, apart from the capital.
Huh.
For example, so I'd be willing to give them a 20%
Fair,
lower
fair. No, I mean,
valuation.
when I heard for the first time the term, because we don't come
We
from a
don't
business
come from
so
that
I
background.
assumed it's a fixed value. There has to be a correct thing, because that's how you think in business, right?
Mm.
But it's
For
good to
mature
know.
companies, you're absolutely
Mature
right.
companies,
But
yeah.
okay, good to know that this is how
Yeah,
it could
somebody
work.
who's even starting up, आप ये सोचो ना, pre-revenue, pre-product भी
कैसे
companies round
बताओगे?
raise करती है. It's all about कितना अच्छा idea है या founders कौन है. कितनी सारी companies से 10 mil उठा लेती हैं pre-product, pre-revenue. It's all founder credibility and idea. कि
Yeah.
पहले कुछ founders कर चुके हैं, idea सही लग रहा है, we
आता है
invest in the
इन्हें.
founder.
IBR, for example, a logical extreme इसका Elon Musk. Elon Musk started a new company, X dot
तो
AI.
फिर
Okay,
तो-
उसका
अब वो
valuation
company कुछ नहीं
automatically.
करती अभी, but
yes.
at day one उस company का valuation
Valuation
$1
बहुत
billion
ज़्यादा,
plus
okay,
है,
of course.
because it's Elon Musk.
Yeah.
So you're betting ना अब क्या इसमें science है? कोई
हाँ,
science
कोई
नहीं
science
है.
नहीं है.
It's
It's
you're
just
backing
trust.
the
It's just
founder.
trust.
You're
for-
backing the founder. So it
Fair.
more or less comes down to that.
Fair, fair.
All right. Now that we've been schooled, we have another round of activity for these guys.
Finally,
The last round.
what's inside the mystery box?
No,
which is
that's
right
a
in front
little
of
थोड़ा
me.
सा और late.
थोड़ा सा और है?
What is all-
Okay, guys,
मतलब
wait for it.
that's the last question though, मतलब like we're
last
just doing
नहीं
a
है, अच्छा,
rapid.
और questions है,
नहीं
guys.
नहीं rapid fire मतलब we're starting.
हाँ, oh yes, rapid
She
fire.
forgot. She
I
like
forgot
pressed
the
the box.
It's like us running culture circles.
Okay, let's start with the rapid fire.
Yeah, ठीक है.
We have some questions for you. ठीक है. पहले तो बताओ इंडिया का प्रेसिडेंट कौन है?
हाँ जीके क्वेश्चन है थोड़े
थोड़े
जीके रैपिड फायर
बताओ इतने इंटेलिजेंट लड़के हो.
बताओ
Such a meme
हाँ.
moment.
This is why I put Devan. उसने IMA किया है guys. उससे पूछो.
भाई
उसको क्या हो गया भाई
तो क्या हो गया यार इंडिया
Ramnath Kovind.
You wanna take another guess? Cut करवा दूंगी मैं.
I know it was the previous one, yeah.
हाँ.
Oh.
Yes.
Murmuri chicken.
Yes, yes.
मुरमुरी.
चलो wait,
I
I
knew was the मुरमुरी
Yeah.
चिक.
मुरमुरी,
हमने भी
मुरमुरी.
कल मुरमुरी चिक बोल के गूगल किया
हाँ,
था.
मैंने अभी
हाँ.
this murmur somebody
The
and then
murmuri.
Yeah,
What is the full name?
मुरमू.
अबे तेरे को तो कुछ भी नहीं पता.
Yeah, she's like
एक तो मैं बता रहा हूँ यार, saving us.
अच्छा हाँ.
इज्जत बता रहा हूँ हमारी.
Guys,
Same team ना.
this is
द्रौपदी मुरमुरे.
yes.
द्रौपदी मुर्मू.
मुर्मू.
मुरमुरे, I love you.
But नहीं नहीं
हम ना मजाक कर रहे थे, ये
मजाक कर रहे
questions
जीके
नहीं
क्वेश्चंस
है.
नहीं कर रहे हैं.
और तुम्हारे रिलेटेड तुम्हारी
It's GK question.
मैं तो आंसर कर देता. I was okay.
nice.
स्ट्रेस हो गया था अक्षय को शक्ल में दिख रही पगने में.
अक्षता यार.
So, Prime
अरे
Minister.
यार,
ये क्या पूछ लिया? ये तो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस है. आउट ऑफ सिलेबस.
I am turning on ChatGPT. अभी
फोन ले लो
serious
इनके
हो
भाई फोन ले लो.
गई. Yeah.
Okay, no jokes apart. We will do GK round, but in your field.
In your
so
field.
hopefully you
That
would
you will
know.
be able to answer.
Of course,
ठीक
I
है,
hope
hopefully.
you know. Yeah,
Yeah.
hope you know.
अक्षय की फट चुकी है.
I can answer.
सही में
मुझे
भाई.
problem
can?
नहीं है.
His face.
अब
Bring it on.
ये वाला क्वेश्चन अक्षय आंसर करेगा.
अभी what you saw.
तो
ना,
अब ना.
जब आपने question पूछा अक्षय ने ऐसे कहा. This was exactly what happened on Shark Tank also.
We saw.
You saw it.
I was like, you take it ahead. कोई
I'm
नहीं.
like अक्षय क्यों नहीं बोल रहा?
हाँ,
भाई,
बहुत टाइम तक अक्षय नहीं बोला
ये
था.
इसने ना बहुत स्मार्ट गेम खेला. अब जब बहुत अच्छे बैक एंड फोर्थ क्वेश्चन आंसर चल रहे थे ना, आई वाज लाइक हु एम आई टू इंटरप्ट. बोलो आराम से. जैसे ही एक क्वेश्चन आया ना, वेयर वी न्यू यू वर गोना गेट अ लॉट ऑफ
What was
फ्लैग
that
एंड
question?
how much money do
Money
you have in the bank? The answer is Akshay, do you want to answer that?
The thing is question का there is no way we get it right. इस पे तो आना ही है बहुत ज़्यादा pushback.
lot of flag,
How much
instantly
money?
इसके बाद
Bank
यही
में
आया
कितना
सबका.
पैसा?
Already
मैंने कहा-
18 करोड़
मैंने कहा,
पड़े
अक्षय CFO FDs तूने कराई ना भाई बताओ.
That way he played well. But now I was so like, you can carry on with your question answers. I'm okay. We were very drunk during our pitch.
Oh yes. Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
This guy
yeah.
got me drunk. It was his idea only. So audition. I'll tell you what
It's all
happened.
podcast से पहले भी
ऐसे
अक्षय का
लग
ही
तो नहीं
है.
रहा था
So
बिल्कुल.
I'll tell you, even
No.
on screen test now, so before Shark Tank, there is a screen test
Okay.
wherein they check the entire checklist. ठीक है, business तो अच्छा ही है इसलिए आप stage तक आए हो.
हाँ.
But screen test round is, are you guys good for TV and content?
Yeah.
Oh.
Right? And the thing was, they called us to Bombay. We flew down in the morning. We landed. Now we're waiting since 11 a.m. Our start was 2 p.m. But of course they had other things lined up. Our eventual screen test came at around 7-8 p.m. So we were exhausted.
Of
I was
course.
like,
Of course,
आज तो
yeah.
I'm not even in my element. नहीं हो पाएगा. He's like, wait. Took me to the bar and we're having like crazy cocktails there. By the time they're calling us, हमारा slot है. Like, where are you guys?
We're
अभी
drunk.
तक-
We're
you've been
drunk now.
complaining. You were waiting. Now we can't find you. Like, no, we're coming. हम भाग के गए. And we gave the audition like super intoxicated. and it turned out very
Very
well.
well, I'm
Very
sure,
well.
I'm
Worked
sure.
well, yeah,
Yeah, they were
worked
like,
well.
ये तो बढ़िया content निकलेगा इन लॉन्डो में से, तो इनको करते हैं अगले राउंड में.
और एक्चुअली में निकल भी रहा है.
And-
You guys are everywhere, भाई.
वो Shark Tank
Not
में
just HR 26, भाई हर जगह छा लड़के.
It worked out well. It worked out well. in
छाए हुए हो भाई
retrospect.
हर जगह.
Yeah.
I think it's just lucky.
Or
We
alcohol.
just got to it's alcohol.
That's what an alcoholic would say. I just got lucky.
But yeah, rapid fire guys. let's
Rapid
go.
Yeah,
fire,
go
very
right
rapid
back to
fire.
rapid fire. Okay, let's go for the serious questions. Okay, what do you think is the most sold sneaker
Akshay,
ever?
when are you getting married?
Ever.
Ever, like till his, like,
Which question do I have to answer? I'm
what
not
did you ask?
answering
No,
this.
Devansh is because more interesting. What?
Akshay, when are you getting married?
Oh, yeah, that.
No,
I-
since culture circle has been everywhere, ठीक है, तुम लोगों की following, female
रिश्ते तो आ रहे होंगे
following,
अक्षय आपको
male
बहुत-
following
बिल्कुल
तो
आ रहे हैं।
बहुत ही ज़्यादा बढ़ गई हो गई, of
Yeah,
course बढ़ गई है
of
ना?
course बढ़ गई होगी,
तो
right?
फिर how are you taking this? मजे आ रहे हैं तुम्हें, देवांश?
Yeah,
I am very neutral.
So how are you dealing with all the male, female, whatever your preferences
Attention.
are? How are you dealing with all
I am very
the?
neutral. I don't care.
Why?
Why?
Huh?
Just open Akshay's Instagram right now and look at his DMs.
I
You
really
will
want to.
You
flip.
can't. There's nothing in my DMs. I don't accept requests at all. I am very sorted and clear in my
Devansh,
life.
you wanna add something? I feel
Yeah.
like you wanna add.
Do you
something.
want to show your
No,
Instagram
no,
right now?
no. Akshay's a very good boy.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I am very neutral. I think it's Devansh who's blowing up right now.
Akshay's
Yeah.
If you
fiancée, she's a very
open up
good
our
boy.
YouTube podcast and go through the comments, you'll see even guys mad over Devansh.
That's
I'm
why I
sure
said.
it's
It's
like
more
both.
guys. And the real thing, it's more. See, Shark
How are
Tank-
you dealing with that male attention? Like, are you
Yeah,
liking
see,
it?
I don't think anybody likes male
नहीं
attention.
यार
Why
भाईचारा
not?
Anybody तो मत बोलो.
ऐसे तो नहीं
मतलब.
कम ऑन देखो फिर अब कट करना पड़ेगा ठीक है ऐसे मत बोलो
No,
I know I meant for you it works.
No, I mean we.
He's so out of it, no? He doesn't
No.
really-
उसे
No,
अभी
no,
समझ
I
नहीं-
meant-
So being straight is not the only sexual
Yeah,
orientation
that's
that
not the
exists
only
in the
way of
world.
living.
Akshay.
It's like
Akshay.
Oh,
ये
shit.
भी होता है,
ये भी होता है.
I was
ये क्या
not
बोल
looking
रहे
at
हो?
it from that angle.
Out of syllabus.
You're taking it in a very wrong.
What
Are we-
angle?
Okay.
Yes.
What angle?
You say things now.
I'm like shit मेरी सच्चाई बाहर आ गई है.
सच्चाई नहीं यार. You are taking. it in
यही
a
पार्ट
very
में
wrong
कट
way.
कराना पड़ा था.
नहीं कट
Not
कर रहे
podcast.
नहीं कराएंगे हम नहीं
You're taking it in
कराएंगे
a very wrong way. I meant something
Who
else.
takes it in a wrong way? What do you mean?
And what did you mean? Yeah.
I said.
Who
did
takes
you
what in a
assume?
wrong way?
And Akshay is gonna run from here
No, I said in absolute number of cases where currently heterosexual relationships are more prominent than homosexual relationships. Hence, male to male attraction is lesser in this world.
I-
not
Yes, it's
That's not
lesser.
what you meant, though.
He's using
No.
like very articulate
It's
English.
lesser.
"Bhai
Yeah.
mat jana."
Yes. No, I am right.
है ये-
I'm speaking
है ये
in terms
गंदा
of
इंसान
very,
अंदर
very
से.
absolute terms.
मैं ये नहीं
Hence,
बोल रही
from
थी.
mathematical calculations, nobody relative accepts male attention because it's just lesser.
अबे
prevalent.
ये क्या yapping चल रही है bro?
Right.
I am
It's not even
trying
making
to
sense.
defend myself. I don't have to defend myself. I have to confuse them.
yeah, no.
If you can't convince them, confuse them.
But our audience is smart and
Yeah,
you
I
know
hope
the
you are.
reality. But yeah.
It's
But he's
like-
neutral, so it doesn't matter.
yeah Devansh we want to know
Yeah.
about you
No,
How
so
are you
honestly,
dealing
male-
with all
यार
this
male attention
attention?
like भाईचारा तो बहुत fun होता है because like it's a new feeling getting recognized at
Yeah, of course.
airports and like as I said when we were at the Coldplay concert people are like seeing our shoes first they're like cultures are like हाँ they're like hi hello भी नहीं सीधा flash on किया जूते देख रहे हैं हमारे कि क्या पहने हैं. So we're under tremendous pressure to be wearing good shoes.
shoes
I think now
because-
we have to always
bro
style
we were
better.
also
Like, I
under
was
the
wearing-
pressure of wearing good shoes
Yeah, so I
Yeah, but
was-
he chose not to.
I was just
So
chilling.
not- Akshay, you did not get me good shoes. He has so much money and still he did not get. कैसा कंजूस
Yeah,
लड़का
and
है.
we were like chilling at like let's say we're chilling at a random bar, right? And I'm wearing normal Air Force Ones.
Yeah.
You know, guy came in, he's like, oh, Shark Tank, this, that, blah, blah. And then he's like, what shoes are you wearing? And he just looked, and he was
He
so
got
disappointed.
disappointed.
And he
हाँ,
walked
like
off.
Akshay is disappointed in me.
Yeah, and he
ये
walked
क्या
off.
पहन के-
You know, he
He
stopped
walked
talking
off?
to us.
Yeah,
He was
walked
so
off.
disappointed. Like,
Walked off.
F1 और चला गया वो कि यार क्या बात करो मैं I'm like भाई we
No,
need to be
obviously, he
wearing.
was intoxicated.
Okay, hence the
but
Elvis
yeah.
guys.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I know,
this
yeah.
is
थोड़े
please
पहले
zoom
बटन
कर
Now,
लो इनके Elvis
after
पे
that, I'm
please.
like, shit, bro, we have to be wearing good shoes.
You have to
now.
maintain, as you
That-
said, you're the
Like,
face of the brand,
persona,
right?
हाँ,
So,
यार.
yeah.
So that has happened. We don't get drunk in public too much nowadays. That's
Okay.
been a thing because वो थोड़ा ऐसे there's been situations like we didn't realize that people
Know
have
you
started
actually.
recognizing
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
and we are दो गुड़गांव के लौंडे we go out, we get drunk and नाचते हैं फिर हम बढ़िया अपना
Yeah.
and we saw like people ऐसे
Oh, damn.
photo video
Making
बना रहे हैं
photos,
flash के
videos.
साथ. I'm like bro shit this can go on like
I think he's always at
But
a
will
high
that
risk
be
of
bad
getting
marketing
cancelled.
though? I mean, does that?
you haven't seen us
have you,
dance
have you
drunk.
seen him?
You
dance
haven't
drunk?
seen me dance drunk and be bad marketing for sure.
I'm pretty sure one day we'll just go viral for the wrong reasons. He'll just go viral for the wrong reasons.
I mean,
and I'll
I've
be on-
seen him drunk asking on Piyush's stories a lot of times.
Yeah.
Oh,
So
yeah.
you know the, and it only goes worse from there. So Piyush puts in the initial 10% that we allow her to.
Fair enough. Okay.
So I mean that is all, super fun. We're super grateful, honestly. matlab, frankly, touch wood.
Mhm.
And we feel like it's like the right kind of popularity also. Matlab ki people are. So the best part is, like people would randomly come in. They would not even like want a picture and nothing. They won't even introduce themselves often. They're like, yeah, Shark Tank, you guys are killing it. Just wish you all the best.
That's really
We
sweet.
want you guys to succeed, and they'll walk off. मतलब कोई
वो
they don't
no
कोई
like intention of like
They don't
Nothing,
want to
कोई
have like a
transaction
small
नहीं.
talk or anything.
कुछ नहीं
They're
चाहिए.
not like, you take my number, let's connect.
nothing.
Only but good wishes.
Very
This
rare.
is
95%
like
of
rooting
the
for
times.
you कि यार बढ़िया कर रहे हो फोड़ते रहो type
Yes,
and they walk off and that's the best.
दो इंटेलिजेंट प्यारे रूटेड लड़के सबके लिए रूट हर कोई तुम्हारे लिए रूट
Yeah.
करने
But
वाला है यार.
that way, so those are honestly that have been the best moments
Best.
for us. Honestly.
Actually, when I met you guys, initially our podcast was going to be very women centric. Okay,
Ah.
I'll be
Yeah.
honest with you.
and you guys
When-
are our first like
And
non-female
no.
guests.
When
Oh,
when I
nice.
told Savi about you guys, मैंने बताया कि I played there and I just got to know about these young and very intelligent and very sweet boys. तो मैंने बताया मैं बोला हमें ना इनको ही बुलाना पड़ेगा कहते तो फिर वही एक्सेप्शन थोड़ी ना हो सकते हैं मैंने बोला
फिर
हम
हम
ही हो सकते हैं
तुम्हारे चक्कर में हमने podcast brought
Yeah,
कर
like-
So
you need to
all
know
the
this.
men,
Your
all the
expansion
men
plans.
on the Papi podcast, you are welcome.
This
True,
podcast is
Ramesh.
either a culture circle ad or Devansh's hinge.
No, now I'm at the age it's bio
Bro,
data.
culture
Like, send me your bio data. If you want to
Culture
slide into my
circle.
DMs, it better be with bio data and nothing else.
Culture circle is already Devansh's hinge.
Yeah. This I have said in multiple. Like the only reason why culture circle is working. अभी तक जो हमने बोला वो fake है. The only reason culture circle is working is because he uses that as a hinge.
Wow.
No.
The moment he's married, I don't know how the fuck.
अब
he
reels
does
कौन
that.
बनाएगा?
Because his incentive to go in ads goes way
Goes
down.
way down.
If he does not go in ads, our sales don't go up.
It's okay, yaar. I think you can make reels after you're married. Also,
Nahin,
I think
I'm
your
okay.
incentive
There
is
a
going
reason
down.
I don't make reels. I don't like being on camera at all. There's an
Okay.
exception.
Let's do the rapid fire now.
yeah.
Back to the
Back
rapid
to the
fire,
rapid
guys.
fire. Finally.
हाँ,
Yes.
चौथी बारी कर रहे हैं अब
हाँ,
नहीं.
अब
Yes.
पक्का
We'll
कर
make sure
लेते
it's
हैं.
rapid.
Okay, the first question was,
Hmm.
which one do you think is the most sold sneaker in the history of time? Like not
Okay,
recent.
is it like a brand or like a sneaker?
It is a sneaker. Like I'm asking you about sneakers.
Yeah,
only.
Air Force Ones.
Or I'm assuming like a panda probably.
Okay, Air Force Ones now, very recent
100% Air
shape,
Force Ones.
but it's actually the Converse Chuck Taylor sneaker.
Oh, fair.
Oh,
I can
okay.
see that.
Yeah.
But it was there.
Close
Air
second.
But
Force
like
was
yeah,
close,
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 between
close.
fair,
But
fair.
it,
Converse,
yeah.
Chuck Taylor also. Fair.
Hmm.
I can see that.
Now,
It's a
since you
good
guys
shoe.
also sell luxury bags, in the history of time,
I have no idea.
No.
Yeah, it is. What's the question?
Take a
what's
guess.
the most sold, luxury bag in the history
Birkins.
of time?
नहीं भाई.
ये तो
Arey,
मेरे
I'm
को
just
भी नहीं
gonna
पता.
drop in
Most
names until I
expensive.
get it right.
But
It's the-
your answer is
most
right, but for
right.
another question.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah.
most
Oh.
expensive.
To something
Most
else.
expensive.
It's
one.
like
It's
it's
the
like a
most
hot and cold
expensive.
game we're playing.
Yeah.
Uh,
So that was the next question though, but yeah, Birkin is
Jacquemus.
the. But ये तो मेरे को भी नहीं पता actually कि सबसे ज़्यादा
Sold
sold कौन सा है.
handbag?
Oh no, I know. I know. Yeah. Take a guess. You should know. I mean, you would know.
You should know, I mean.
I mean, not should, but you can
But
take
like
a
you
guess. It's a very guessable product.
And it's luxury, 100%.
It is
It's
luxury.
luxury.
Yes, yes.
Gold.
Because-
Okay.
No, it's actually Louis Vuitton.
Oh.
It's called
How
Never
is that
Fall.
the most sold?
Yeah,
It
it's
is,
not
it
supposed
is.
to be the most sold.
But it
It
is.
is.
Their Louis
I
Vuitton.
don't trust you guys one bit with this.
Yeah.
Arey,
This was
it
me
is,
and
it is.
ChatGPT, but we can do it again.
I don't trust ChatGPT also.
अच्छा फिर नहीं
What is the
पता.
most sold luxury handbag ever?
This one.
Okay, I found this on the web for what is the most sold luxury.
Siri भी
I
बता
think
रहा
Siri works.
ये
Use
रहेगा.
Gemini.
है. Here it says. Oh God, internet is the Birkin bag.
What?
Whoa, I was right. Wait,
No,
That's the
I
most
want my phone.
It
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
be,
Take out your phone.
wait,
Yeah.
let me use Gemini because clearly I 1.
What the hell?
Most.
So ChatGPT says Louis Vuitton never fall.
Most popular is the
No,
article I'm seeing.
the Birkin is widely
See.
considered the most sold luxury handbag.
But
I'm using Gemini, and Gemini uses Google knowledge, so that's fake.
I'm
ChatGPT
honestly
is
saying
fake.
Birkin.
ChatGPT
It's not just popular; it's the most coveted
Second
luxury
is
handbag
like
in the world.
Chanel, quilted.
It's wrong. That's wrong.
Chanel
Second,
is
second.
Chanel is second on ChatGPT also, the flap bag though.
Third is the Gucci Jackie. भाई इसमें LV तो
चलो
नहीं है।
अलग अलग आ
चलो,
रहे हैं।
कोई बात नहीं यार।
Okay
हाँ, तो
guys,
but
पता
I
नहीं।
win.
Fourth
हाँ, you
is
do.
Dior saddle.
काफी अलग लिस्ट
एक second.
ये
Wait, I
बहुत ही
got the
अलग-अलग-
answer.
सबके पास
While
अलग
both
list है।
LVs and Birkin are
Oh, okay.
incredibly popular and
Okay.
sought after, Birkins is generally considered the most sold luxury handbag.
Isn't Birkin supposed to be more exclusive than Louis Vuitton?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, that's what's surprising.
Yeah.
Exactly.
'Cause
Here's why
Birkin
they've
bags are
written this
like-
also.
I
Like
mean-
they
But
are
you can
supposed
get
to be-
both Louis Vuitton, Birkin, Gucci, Chanel, and
Culture
everything only on one
Circle
app.
Wait, I just like to clarify. I won this rapid fire question.
हम कुछ दे नहीं रहे, but
हम तो
अक्षय
वैसे
ने
कुछ
हाँ।
दे नहीं रहे क्योंकि अक्षय भी हमारे लिए कुछ नहीं लाया तो हम भी अक्षय को कुछ नहीं देने
Doesn't
वाले
matter.
बट ओके फाइन
It's about my satisfying my ego. I won this round.
Who's the president of India?
Draupadi Murmu.
he's
Every
also-
time ये
yeah.
थोड़ा सा ऐसा ना बस
He's also
Right,
learning
remind
something while
Draupadi
he's
वो
Murmu.
going.
moment दिखा देना आलिया भट्ट moment.
और
तूने भी आंसर नहीं किया था, ठीक है?
किया।
नहीं नहीं यार
He
उसने
was
कर
slow.
दिया
भाई
That's
ये
enough.
मुरमुरे बोलते बोलते द्रौपदी मुर्मू पे
भाई,
आया।
अच्छी बात
पिछली
है,
वाला बता दो
at least-
Yeah.
आप पिछली वाला बता दो जिसने
क्यों
बताया था
क्यों
क्यों
बताऊं?
बताऊं? I don't live in the past. Next question.
Next
इसके बारे में
question.
पूछो.
नहीं अब वापस जी के
जीके में चलते हैं फिर अक्षय करेगा दिवांश
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सबसे एक्सपेंसिव जूता जो अभी तक
अभी
that has
तक
been sold
sold.
अभी तक do you
यार।
guys have an idea
I know like it's like a 7-8 million is the amount.
You're very close
You're
to the
very
figure,
close to the
yes.
figure.
Yeah, it's a
It's an
7-8
auction.
million. Yeah, auction piece है.
Yeah.
7-8 million है. It's a golden.
we'll give him some time उसको आ जाएगा
You can
answer.
tell the brand मतलब what do you think it is like
what do you think
a broader category बता दो मतलब
What do we remember right now? Is it a Jordan?
it is
Yes.
Jordan, yes
It's
you're
a
very
Jordan.
close.
Was it like a Heineken collab?
No,
No,
नहीं.
it's the Dynasty collection Jordan.
but ठीक है
It's basically a collection of multiple Jordans.
Yeah, it was
all-
like
Yes.
six, I
Oh.
think six
Yeah,
pairs
and it
of
was the original
Yeah.
6.
ठीक है I think
And
we
only
should
worn
give it-
once or something.
Original
But
6 and
okay,
auction
yeah,
off.
they
we
want.
will give it to you
Yeah,
कोई बात
yeah.
नहीं
And 7-8 million.
I think close.
Yes, 8 million. You're correct.
8 million.
Yes.
Correct.
coming to the next question
भाई बहुत
What-
uncultured है तू bro. What are you doing bro?
It's 1 and 1. Birkins मेरा correct था, तेरी बारी थी.
It's 2.
No, how is it 2?
भाई उसने प्रेसिडेंट बताया
President rapid fire करनी था.
Correct.
क्यों नहीं था?
नहीं था. You guys
हमारा-
checked it out.
हमारा rapid fire
You
है,
guys checked it
दिखाओ।
out. Bring it on. Give me the
I
next
was also right
question.
with the
What is the
Chuck
next
Taylors and Air Force.
सबसे
You said
एक्सपेंसिव
Air France.
luxury
I was
bag
not right.
बता दिया ना वो तो उसने already-
अच्छा
मैंने
बता
बता
दिया गाइस हो गया ठीक
हो
है
गया।
यही था.
नहीं नहीं
हमने
now the
बस
fun
थोड़ा-
part
अब
Now
सबसे
we'll
fun
ask you
हाँ,
questions.
we'll
no
ask you
wait
questions.
now the fun part no
एक बार
we'll
फन
ask
पार्ट
you
करने दो फिर तुम हमसे क्वेश्चंस
ठीक है।
पूछो
वो off
ठीक है?
camera होंगे वो question
वो ऑफ कैमरा होंगे तब
पूछते रहना।
कैमरा
the fun part the mystery box that you were
Oh, finally.
we will show you products tell them if they're fake or original let's see if you can actually like recognize
Wait, but why are you guys carrying fakes?
we don't know for you guys
for you guys so that you can tell ना
कि हम जानना चाहते हैं कि
Original
you
है,
can
fake
actually
है।
differentiate or not we want to know
हाँ मतलब अब ठीक है take your time and tell us
अभी
कि
भी आप- भाई,
ओरिजिनल
इतना
है
आसानी से
कि
नहीं
फेक
होगा,
है
हाँ।
हाँ नहीं होता इतना easily तभी वो
Can I
जान
use my phone?
नहीं यार
okay
We-
पहले
So
बता
I'll
दो
tell you why I want to use my phone because at Culture Circle
Yes.
we work with the world's largest authentication company Check
तो
and we can upload a set of 24 images and we can get an authenticity certificate on this straight from the
मैं
brand.
दीवान से मार्केटिंग के पैसे
So-
लेने वाली हूँ
भाई सच में
reverse
So,
money
which is why
पहले
You
तू
thought
खुद
you
बता
were gonna
पहले
get
you
it.
give us an
Use
answer
your
then you can
phone
use an
also.
app
पहले तू बता आंसर फिर उसके बाद you can use the phone
हाँ we let you
it looks very fake.
Looks very
looks
fake.
very fake
Very
okay now you want to use your app
I mean not even a
before I tell you what the correct answer is
wait, why is it broken? Achha, it's not.
नहीं नहीं broken तो नहीं है
okay you can use your phone also before
हाँ use your
I
phone also
let you know
Like, wait, if this comes out to be authentic and you're gonna break their chain, we're not repairing it.
wait for it let him like let him
we have another one इतना टाइम नहीं लगा
हाँ
सकता
बहुत
यार
इतना बहुत कट कराना पड़ेगा भाई नहीं कर लो
Did you
अपना
actually
app
Chal,
go
now
out and
you
like
use your
buy a
phone.
couple of fake items also just
What?
for this?
you'll get to
you
know
never
no
know what we
Damn.
do
Take
Very
a
difficult
buy,
to handbags though.
take a good call. Take a knowledgeable.
अरे दिवांश
educated
I'm
guess.
telling you you
I'm
can use your
telling you,
phone
like, I'll tell you my reasoning, ठीक है? like this seems very off, like the way it's written entirely and everything. But it could just be very used also, and that's why.
I think it's authentic and just used because I can see some scratches. on
And
this
there's like
as
a
well.
pen mark here, but yeah, this could again. This seems
You're
very
right.
very off.
Yeah, I'm right.
You're right.
But I would
Authentic.
want to.
You're
But again, ऐसा हो सकता है कि क्या पता मैंने जहाँ से लिया हो मुझे लग रहा हो
No,
कि-
but I can.
हाँ, ये
tell.
पालिका से लिया है आपने ओरिजिनल से फिर.
बट मैं चाहती हूँ आप अपना फोन यूज करो और आप
हमें
बताओ कि ये
बताओ।
पालिका से लिया या
But yeah, that'll take 30 minutes.
हाँ.
कोई नहीं आप करके भेज दो
हाँ ठीक है. Oh, nice.
बाद में
When it
बता
हाँ,
देंगे।
we'll
releases.
add it like
We'll add it
When
later
it
on,
is
huh?
nice. This is nice.
ठीक है. Okay, so
This
anyway,
way-
as far as we know from our trust, this is an authentic
We'll do
bag.
all of
Yeah.
this एक साथ and we put
ठीक
in the
है.
results.
Yeah,
Let's-
exactly.
let's see
It'll
fun.
come out really
Okay.
nice. That's what we had in mind
Oh,
also.
Nice.
Then you go
This is
with
But
nice.
okay, according to like मेरे according to ये
हाँ,
मैंने
and
authentic
we'll
लिया
put
था.
in the check
हाँ,
certificate
ठीक है, हाँ,
also.
ठीक है.
But अब let's see कि वो
Let's
authentic
see.
है कि
Nice,
नहीं है,
nice,
है ना?
nice.
Okay, I've given him the next bag.
Yeah. Now you see.
Dude, this also.
ये
This
brand
also.
बताइए मेरे को पहले.
I'm not into handbags. I'm not into handbags.
please
There is
stand
a-
बताओ.
There is a reason I don't do handbags.
Yeah, I love
Wait a
it.
second, wait. I don't do handbags.
Doesn't matter. You
I-
have an
अबे he
app.
does not do
So-
culture, bro. He
You
does.
don't do it.
I don't do handbags.
Do you do
Guys,
your
guys,
do
guys.
you do your
I was
fiance?
against the idea of launching
Do
handbags.
you do your fiance or no?
Circle.
I don't do handbags, please. It's not my forte.
Okay. Devansh.
तुम बता.
हाँ, दे तो दिया बता. I'm waiting.
He's gonna give you 5 random things.
100% fake है भाई.
Yeah.
100%
fake है.
fake.
ये
He's
fake है.
right. Fake है.
Why is that?
100% fake. अबे भाई देख के पता लग रहा है यार ये ऑफ है टेक्स्ट.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
और ये ऐसा कुछ है.
Ooh, home runners. I am not.
एक
अब-
Who are these?
यार फोम
Who are
Who are
these
these
for?
क्या होता है?
किसकी है?
क्यों बताऊँ? मतलब
अरे-
ये क्या है?
It looks tiny. It looks very tiny.
अक्षय सारी इधरों
looks
की
to
बातें
be
कर रहा
very
है.
honest, authentic. But in foam runners, it's very tough to actually see and tell.
Okay, take a guess. I mean,
It's
we'll
okay.
of course let you know.
Oh, wait.
Take a guess now.
Made in China, that's also sus. But
you don't do,
UK7
you
and
don't
US
do handbags, but you do sneakers.
Come on,
no?
यार,
Yeah,
ये
yeah,
तो
I'm
you have
telling
to
you.
tell. Devansh is
And the
really
problem is-
at it, okay?
Yeah,
Devansh
I love
कुछ
it.
नहीं
Problem
बोल
is I
रहा.
don't even want to sell it.
The thing with foam runners is the only way to tell, you know, because ultimately it's rubber, is with the original tagging and everything, like the sticker inside. That's what it is.
Seems authentic. Yeah.
I'm waiting for his
I'm waiting for his response also.
also, and then we'll let you know.
You know, one way to actually guess whether a pair is authentic or not, you can smell it. And I don't really
But
want to
maybe
smell
that's
it.
a
But
new
it's a
one.
used one, na? So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
don't
obviously.
do that.
No, no.
What
that
do
is
you
the-
mean smell it? I mean, I want
So
to
when a new pair comes in,
Yeah.
so when manual authentication is done, so it's obviously material,
Yeah.
any QC checks or
हाँ
not.
यार.
When experts are involved,
This
you can
is-
actually smell
Authentic.
pure slides.
Bone.
ये ले, कोई भी ले ले यार तू.
Slides bone है मेरे भाई.
लगा ले. कर, guess. I don't think the color is right for this, but okay. Oh, there's no
यार
tag.
इसमें तो
Tag हट चुका है. For
Tag
us to ascertain.
हाँ तो हाँ
कोई
क्या-
नहीं यार.
नहीं, अब लगा के
अब
लाएंगे.
बताओ भाई.
वो तो
It's
गलती
just
से
a-
पे
ये भी
रह
बहुत
गया.
छोटी हैं भाई. तुम दोनों के पैर ज़्यादा छोटे हैं क्या?
UK7 is not छोटा
छोटा ना है
यार.
भाई. UK7 is in fact on the larger side for women.
Yeah, I
हाँ,
mean,
तो
I
I was
don't
not-
get my size since UK7.
हाँ,
नहीं
you
मिलता
just-
मुझे.
Oh, you
UK7.
met on Culture Circle.
Yes, so-
See, I'm rubbing off some marketing from him.
यार material तो seems off. I don't know if it's used. Like, अच्छा, tell us how old is this?
No, no, this is just 1 month
this
old.
is, no,
1
two,
month
two,
old.
1
two
month.
months.
1-2
1-2
months.
Okay.
And
January beginning. So
was this purchased in India?
No.
क्यों?
अरे
अरे थोड़े तो hints देने पड़ेंगे यार.
अच्छा ठीक है, this is not purchased in India.
Not purchased in India.
bro, it's a fake.
इधर 5 US क्यों लिखा है?
ये इनका, this is hers. You.
अच्छा, this
ये
is
मेरा,
yours.
yeah.
Okay. I don't know. I think without very tough for me to tell without a tag.
यार material I don't know seems off. Could be just because used also, but it's not
नहीं,
like.
नहीं, इतना
fluffy.
used
I
नहीं
think
है.
the material is very close. I would not ascertain it via
ये
the
देखना.
material. For me, without the tag, it's very tough. to
ये
tell.
करना.
कर.
हाँ,
अरे कर रहा है तो कर.
No, Devansh is right.
Devansh is
They
actually
are
this is a
fake.
fake. We
Yeah,
went
this
to
is a
Thailand.
हम लोग ऐसे ही बीच पे
एंड
मतलब-
अभी ना ये मतलब मेरे स्लीपर्स वगैरह
हाँ.
बड़े तहस नहस हो गए थे.
हम
I
सबके
saw
तो
this.
वैसे
सबने-
रेडी पे वो
I
होता है
actually
बहुत, हाँ.
I wore it
Wait.
super
Comfortable.
comfortable.
Very
And I was like I'm
comfortable.
buying it
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
I'm buying it.
I actually wanna know this. मतलब बहुत सारा fake stuff ऐसे मिलता है जो हमें तो मेरे को
हमें
मुझे
जब
नहीं
मैं
पता
इसमें आपको
चलता.
बताऊं इसमें तो ना I'll tell you first thing only why it seemed off. Typically ना shape ऐसे होता ही नहीं है.
अच्छा okay.
Slides का this is too raised up.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a little
Yeah,
Flat.
like a random person would never know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But-
तभी तो हमने तुम्हें दिया है.
हाँ, वही.
I'd want you
Someone
to
who
tell
can
our
just-
audience also कि what are some easy things to
Like,
how
for
to
example,
recognize.
here,
Yeah.
in a easy slide, see, I'll tell you, material oftentimes people can get it right, like even trying to replicate. But ये जो shape होती है, for example, जो silhouette होता है, that is off. Now here, if you look, ये आगे भी the way it's
थोड़ा ऊंचा उठा हुआ है.
Yes.
correct, like
When I
the
wore it also,
stitching.
ना, when I wore it तो मेरे को
वो
तभी
feel हुआ होगा ना,
हाँ,
it
हाँ.
must be a little
How much did you
uncomfortable.
get it for?
And
Yeah,
plus
very
here
less
also.
money. कितने का हमने
बात
तो
होता है ना उधर, बात होता है ना.
Just see the-
like
800 आया ना.
है ना ऐसा कुछ
I
था ना?
think-
ऐसे ही कुछ
हाँ.
मतलब
And
ये
see the finishing here
800
also, पीछे जो
1200
है.
ऐसा कुछ था.
ये देखो finishing. So this is not there in like originals. That's why.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. But like it's very comfortable, so
हाँ,
I
हाँ,
तो
हाँ.
just.
वो ऐसे like
नहीं, we
question
bought like
like
5 pairs, पता है, for our
but
parents, for
what?
everyone. Yeah.
Yeah.
But five
But now,
pairs?
now we will burn it because at
Ah,
Culture Circle, this is
we
something
can't
we're
have
against.
this.
yeah,
so-
I was just coming to this only
Now
कि
we have to
in
burn
your
it.
ऐसे कर do
opinion
one thing, maybe
कि
हटा दो.
comfort वगैरह में कितना difference होता है?
Yeah,
Like
होता
how?
है. For
कितना?
example, I'll tell
Like
you.
this is 1200 rupees and the actual slides cost I don't know, you'd know कितने के आते हैं.
So these ones, market price is roughly 14,000.
So
9,000 on Culture
as a
Circle.
consumer,
Correct. You feel you can get 10 of these. That's the.
not just that, मुझे 2 महीने पहनने हैं, मैं बोर हो जाऊंगी, मुझे पता है.
Hmm.
तो
तुम
मतलब
2 महीने में क्या कर जाओगे?
बोर हो
Bore हो
जाऊंगी.
जाएगी.
Bore हो
ठीक है ना, I
जाओगे.
would want to get something new, right? So as a consumer, just as a consumer standpoint view, do you guys find it worth spending that kind of money for almost the same comfort? I think.
Yeah, I'll tell you. I'll ask you the question a different way. This handbag, you can get it for $1,000 also, no?
Yes,
Yeah.
of
But
course.
why
It's
did-
about knowing that you're wearing.
Yeah, so I mean, when you're really wearing something, na, I'll tell you the overarching answer. Yeah, when you really wear, the issue is not someone else will know, not
You know.
You will know.
That's why we didn't
Yeah.
get the.
And the confidence with which
Yes,
you
for
carry
sure,
something
for sure.
is
For
very
sure.
different.
It's just that, right? No,
Because-
like it is just
no.
that.
And otherwise, see, honestly, the answer is comfort and materials are off. Frankly, like I would like अगर आप shoes पहन लो off जो है, पैर भी off हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. For example, you can get hurt. You know, foot pain होगा for wearing extended periods of time, etc.
Yeah.
Those are all like very sort of physiological
Yeah.
concerns अगर मैं बोलूँगा. But मेरे को लगता है उससे overarching एक ही है. कि
हाँ, ये तो
it's
तो सबसे बड़ा point है
investing in
यार.
something you know,
For
and the
sure,
confidence
for
with which you carry that
For sure.
is very different.
And then secondary, it would be status signaling.
Yeah, for
The
sure.
point which you
no,
were
I
stating.
think
that
the
would be
reason we
secondary,
carry
yeah.
luxury goods is because, of course,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
only know.
It's for myself. No, that I
Yeah.
know I've made it in
Yeah,
life that I
that
can
can-
maybe get this, or I am celebrating a special
Yeah.
occasion or something like that. And if
Fair.
वही fulfill नहीं होगा purpose,
Fair,
you will
fair.
feel like an imposter. वैसे ही
Yeah,
इतना
yeah.
imposter
No, that's what
syndrome
happened to
होता
us. Like we saw the shop and then he had like shoes which, of course, we couldn't recognize, but we couldn't buy those. We were like, कि हम पहन ही नहीं
हाँ,
पाएंगे.
पहन
Like
नहीं
हम
पाएंगे.
पहन ही नहीं
This is something that I wear on a daily basis.
ये तो हम
Like,
bathroom
like
में
my
नहाने के लिए use
bathroom
करते हैं यार,
wear.
मतलब.
So I don't care about it.
Correct.
So, but yeah,
And
definitely
I'll tell
I
you
get your
honestly,
point.
like someone who knows a little bit, you know what's up, and थोड़ा सा भी scene में पता है.
Like you'd get to know. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'd get to know.
Of course.
Like, हाँ,
Yeah.
for example, it's not that hard to recognize.
Yeah.
And this bag, this bag
Yeah.
is so old. This is actually
Yeah.
the first bag that Sahil gave me
Yeah.
from his first
Oh.
salary.
But then there's pen marks and stuff.
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
very,
How
very
it is
old.
It's
used.
very
It is very
old.
used. It is
very
very
old.
used.
Like,
Felt.
he could be very
Yes.
used also. That's
Yeah.
why
Yeah,
he
it
This
is.
is like the
it is
first
very
bag
used.
Sahil
This
gave
was a
me.
dead giveaway.
Yeah.
Why was this here? How
I
did
think
this come into play?
This is not even
This
a
just
good,
like पता नहीं कहाँ से आया, कभी कभी यूज हुआ है, पड़ा हुआ था
this
घर
is not
में,
even a
like.
good quality fake, you know.
And I think it also has a plastic card inside which gave it away probably.
वो तो हाँ उसका
है ना,
ये क्या है
वो
bro?
निकालना चाहिए था.
अरे ये क्या है bro? But हाँ.
Yeah.
But I think today's session, this chit chat, has been very, very, very fruitful, and yeah, really had a lot of fun talking to you guys. And I hope the audience also enjoys this as much as we did. And I hope you guys also had fun on the podcast.
Thank you so
Likewise.
much for having us on the Moments of Silence podcast, guys. It was a
I think
pleasure.
you'll not let it go.
Yeah,
You'll
he's
not
just
until you
like-
get a legal notice from them. You'll not let it go.
Copyright
भाई.
strike आ रहा है.
उनकी भी
Just
marketing
because
कर रहा
your
है.
guests- हाँ,
तब से उनकी
marketing-
So,
पापी
guys,
बोल-
thanks
पांच
for
बार
having
पापी
us-
बोल.
Thanks for having us on the Moments of Silence podcast, but with much higher IQ.
Say papi 5 times and do sit-ups.
Yeah, man.
Back to
पापी तो
school.
बोला नहीं, moments of silence ही बोलता रह गया.
पापी 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 पापी
इसमें भी
अक्षय हाय क्यों बोल
copyright
रहा है भाई तेरे को नहीं बुला रहा
I'm out of this podcast now.
I hope you also
no
enjoyed.
but
Yes,
all the best
100%.
for the brand guys.
Thank you so much.
From everything that I've seen about the brand already looks super amazing. And I'm sure
Can't
places that
wait for it to be launched.
You guys are doing
Yes.
great.
We also can't wait.
हाँ we तो can't wait only. हम तो पता नहीं कब से लगे पड़े हैं.
No, but amazing stuff that you guys have done with Papi
Thank
so
you.
far.